USA, round one, fight! Hadouken! Flame! Hadouken! Perfect.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You know, this is your boy, Young Trumpito. I'm holding this special Bronx press conference right now because I need to know what's going on in the community. There's gun violence, carnage everywhere. Everywhere I turn, carnage. Amazing. Incredible. Sad, really. You minorities are killing each other at an alarming rate. I'm watching videos on World Star Hip Hop, premier source for all information. Breitbart and World Star Hip Hop is it. You already know what time it is. I'm seeing videos of carnage at City Island, which used to be a beautiful place. I used to bring my mother-in-law there and get the lobster box. It was lit. And now I'm seeing pure violence and carnage at City Island. If you guys can't fix it over there, listen to me. De Blasio, you eat pizza with a fork, you're a fucking wing. If you can't fix these things, I'm gonna have to send the feds to City Island. I'm gonna send the feds to City Island. We're gonna have a meeting, me, Carl Icahn, Mark Cuban, fuck him, he sucked my dick from the back. We're gonna have a meeting and we're gonna send the federal to City Island, bigly. Because it's crazy out there. Lobster used to be 10 for 20, now it's out of control. Sean, please take over for me, please. I need to take a piss. Actually, Sean, you know, your tie is weak. It's not long enough. I'm doing this shit solo. Fuck it. Bodega Boys, episode 57, suck my dick from the back. Do the fucking drop, let's get it. Young Torpedo, 8 years, holla.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Oh God! 8 years of Trump. That's terrifying.
No, I didn't want to say that.
Don't put
I
that-
take it back. I rebuke that.
Don't put that part in the existence.
no.
Why would you put that in the air?
Bad
like
mind.
the chief. It's a Babylon thing.
It's a bad mind thing.
You know, it's not a Babylon thing. Episode 57.
That's right.
Of your world's most favorite podcast. Bodega Boys in the building.
You love it.
It's your boy,
enjoy
Desus
it.
Nice, a.k.a. Desus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Tyrio, a.k.a. Chris That Sling Dick, a.k.a. Eli Lippy, Boots Boots Gullus, Nobody That Might Know You, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nano Verano, Mero and Juliet, going off, the Juve Boss, MC Lico Gungapi.
That's right.
Pull up for 40 with Shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Old Pool.
I don't know you nigga at all. I don't know who you are.
The original player plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss on. DJ's Rosti, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chacoonery without the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo-K.
Papi. ¿Qué es lo que es, dime, güey? ¿Qué es lo que es? Dímelo.
Throw it in his queso.
Oh, tateo.
He's a mama huevo.
Oh.
Why you get Bakulaka? Two Fojos. Jesus Egg Machina. Jay Chuckles. Stanley Cups. The human Dr. Bonner's able dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240B, because I like my Pinot blurry.
Very disgusting.
DJ will like it. You're listening to Wash FM. When we come back, we'll have the best of Simply Red.
Wash.
The Curry Gold, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, the Black Asiatic Addict who will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic, aka Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor, aka your problematic baby. Then I wake up and I drink a warm beer and I roll out of your bed.
He's not kidding. It's actual factuals. You know what I'm saying? Episode 57, nigga. We got 57 ingredients, nigga, like Heinz ketchup. Woo! It's coming strong. You know who it is, boy. It's a human durag flap, a.k.a. fucking Curve Gotti.
Curve him.
Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Skirt motor. You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby. I fucking man. Look at my dad. You know what I'm saying? And I know y'all see Schoolboy at the Grammys with his daughter. That was beautiful. But you know who it is, nigga. It's the dad of the air. You know what I'm saying? Bitch smack me Yumbo. Feel the ass Tyson. I feel that I caress it. The Dominican Dondada. Ben Boston with the precision of a Swiss wristwatch. I will open the brain of a cockroach, ingest it, regurgitate it, and then implant it again. You could never do that in your life. Close your medicine cabinet if I'm in the building, nigga, because the benzos are in danger. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm the Zen man. Eat a whole great case. I just don't give a fuck. Crash the car and run. Rico Sabroso, baby, Newport, Nino Brown, the East Street, my Stevie B. I'll spin your DT event around twice and get a reggaeton. You feel me? The plantain supernova in the sky. Yeah. And the only nigga to drop 62, and by 62 I mean Zanny's at the Garden. Barmelo's Anthony.
I was there. I was at that game.
It was incredible.
It was incredible.
I fucked up the low bell steak sandwiches. They couldn't even recover.
It was incredible, man.
It was nuts.
It was me and Future.
You know
He was
what I'm
mumbling
saying?
all night.
You know what I mean? AKA the young Durag Flap. I was smoking weed in the lobby. Was a big deal.
A big
You know what I'm
deal.
saying? El hijo de Tita y Fifita. Bajando caro, loco. Más caro que un Gucci. Más caro que un Prada, loco. Tenemos todo. Frío, más frío con el quemalito. Más caliente con fogón. You know what I'm saying? And that means you're not getting credit at the bodega unless you know the secret handshake, nigga. Episode 57, let's go!
Let's go.
Ah.
As always, we're okay, live from Red Bull Studios.
That's
You
right.
hear the crystal clear clarity. They have a nice exhibit here, you know, come
Yo,
through.
it's very
Let's scare
nice.
the shit out of
It
you.
is
It's like
fucking
mannequin.
horrifying.
It looks like a fucking serial killer's
Yo,
basement.
it really is. I want to actually put out do a bodega hive challenge.
Mm-hmm.
Take hallucinogenic drugs and then come to this exhibit.
Yes.
And tell us all about it.
220 West 18th
That's
Street.
right.
This shit will scare the shit
Out of you, fam.
The receptionist here is scared of this
It's
shit.
terrifying.
Terrified.
She don't even want to get up to open the door.
Nope.
She's like, yo, y'all could just put it open with like a door
It's
stop.
like, yo, I'm not getting up from here. Sitting there with like a penknife. Like, yo, one of these fucking mannequins moved. Y'all don't get it. I'll cut you up.
Yo, it's the real mannequin challenge in here.
Shout out to all the sponsors, ISIS, the Choach, Narcan, Red Bull. You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Gang.
Fresh off of vacation. You know, Monday we're back at it. Vice Land, Desus and Mero, Monday through Thursdays to 11 p.m.
Of course, it's not going to stop you from asking 150 more times, but hey.
Hey, but you know, we're here now.
It's the profession.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
We're here right now with the audio art. A lot happened this week that we didn't speak on, so it's
my
fresh.
God. Oh, God.
It's like when you haven't jerked off for a while, you got that wild big nut.
Oh, man.
Gotta
Just
get the
waiting.
extra napkins.
Yeah, bro. You can't even fuck with napkins. You need paper towel.
Like, ugh,
You
wow.
need- yeah.
Like, you really be like, you be kind of surprised at yourself. Like, wow.
yo, okay.
I was walking around with all that.
What?
How was I able to get off the
Okay.
bed?
You weigh yourself after and
Got
shit
the heavy
like,
nut.
oh.
Whoa. That sounds like an ice cream flavor. Let me get a Haagen-Dazs heavy nut.
Yeah, we got a heavy nut and a butter pecan.
Yeah. Can I
Do you
get
say
fruit?
pecan or pecan?
Pecan.
Pecan?
I don't say either one because it's a fussy nuts.
Yo, pecan pie is bad good though.
Is it?
It's so good.
That's I don't know. That feels a little not slavey. Just feels a little antebellum. I don't know. I don't feel that comfortable as a grown man at Sylvia's in Harlem eating the pecan pie.
Yeah, the pecan pie.
Gotta put on a seersucker suit. Yeah. It's mad warm outside.
Yo, global warming is real.
It is mad warm, right? It's like 60 degrees right now.
Yep.
Oh, it's gonna be brunch season. Shout out always my brunch crew out in Silver Spring.
Shout out.
MD. DC, all my DC people who be brunching hard.
Wow, brunch is really a thing now. It's like a huge
I
thing.
brunch. I'll be doing brunch.
You
Yeah. I'll
brunches?
be out in. I don't want to say. Y'all gotta respect my privacy. I don't want paparazzi popping up on me.
Yeah, that's true. Yo, niggas be popping up now. It's wild.
That shit is annoying. I'd be out in like fucking Park Slope, you know, with my racially ambiguous British wife and our adopted Asian daughter. And you know, I hate having to run with the stroller.
Running with a stroller is wild embarrassing. First of all, if you're actually able to do it.
I've never.
First of all, and
I have no experience.
Yo,
so walk me through this.
If you run with the stroller, you can't really run full sprint because you're gonna bust your ass.
What if you have that like
You ever
the
see a
one
fat-
for running, the one for running with like the dirt wheel
with
in
the
front?
shit?
Yeah.
That you might be because that's for jogging. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? So you might be good with that. But yo, you ever seen a fat nigga on a motorcycle and they just start to wobble a little bit? And you're like, oh, this nigga's going down. That's exactly what happens when you push a stroller man fast.
Oh,
you know what I'm
God.
saying? So
Damn.
it's very hazardous.
I mean, for all that, you just gotta grab the baby, tuck your jacket like
That's
you
it.
shoplifted in the
That's
hood,
it,
and just
bro.
run.
I throw niggas down the leg like my man Hollywood
Like,
and shit.
yo.
Like,
Don't take no pictures of my baby.
blanket, no. I'm gonna get on some Michael Jackson shit. Blanket, no.
Respect her privacy.
Respect him, no.
Be one of those weirdo parents to be like, I'm not putting any baby photos on Facebook because they have a facial recognition database.
That's right.
And it will be his or her choice.
Yes.
Whatever gender he or she decides to be.
That's right.
Whether she wants to be part of the
Right.
database.
They. You just call your baby they.
They.
Yo. You know what I'm saying?
How old are they? I don't want to tell you that's opsex. That's privacy. You gotta sign a disclaimer to find out how old someone's baby is.
Yo. Shout out to niggas saying babies ages in months, you know what I'm saying? Well into their life. Like your kid is 5 years old. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? It's not 238 months years old. You know what I'm saying?
I had an aunt and she would always describe her child's age as 12 plus.
12 plus? What does that mean? Like niggas extra long? Like
She was from the stush part of the family, so
you got better battery life? Like
she
what?
was like, it's like mind yours. Don't worry about that.
12
Meanwhile, he's like
plus.
24.
Yo.
Yo, That's City Island, bro. At Seafood City.
Yo.
You
City
know,
Island
that's
is
why we
wild.
can't have nice things in the
Yo,
Bronx.
that's what Trump sent the feds. Stick it to the Bronx.
Trump said the feds. Trump said the feds.
Yeah,
Trump
it's
said the
crazy.
feds. I mean, when you're at Seafood City, though, you kind of expect something to pop off.
Yo, listen, Bronx restaurants that are kind of chainy. Because there's more than one Seafood City, right? Am I bugging?
I don't.
Victor's like,
Victor's like, that's out of my.
Nigga's like, I'm from Queens. Like,
Oh, man.
yeah.
No, wait, is there Seafood City is a chain?
I think there's more than one.
It might be.
It's like BBQs, yo. It's like one of them big chain joints with buzzers. You know what I'm saying? A brawl might occur, dog. It might be homie there with his girl and niggas that they don't really fuck with, and it's like a weird triple date situation.
But should it be like that?
I mean, it shouldn't, but
It shouldn't be like that. We need to do better, Bronx. We need to come together, yo.
come together.
We need to do a We Are the World,
Yeah.
and it just be like me, you, J Lo, Remy,
Yes.
Fat Joe.
Fat Joe.
Who else?
Curtis Blow's from the Bronx?
French Montana.
French Montana, of
No,
course.
Curtis Blow. Wait, wasn't he involved in? Wasn't he?
The African Man Butter?
No,
shit?
that
No.
was-
That was
that
African Man Butter. Yeah. He could stay home.
All right.
He could stay home.
But I don't
we
want
want
to
this.
get.
We want this to
no
work
watch nigga to
optically.
try to like flex on the track. I don't want to be. We like try to do a get like
Niggas
stop
said
the
brakes on the
violence.
car, brakes on the train.
That's the comes out with a new Drake flow and shit. Like no, shit is for peace. This shit is not for you to get back on the tracks.
Yeah, niggas trying to rekindle his career with that shit. But the dudes like that, like, listen, I have a very tenuous knowledge of the music industry. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Do dudes like that they gotta still make money touring, right? Like you
Yeah.
can still go to do
Go
a
to
show, do
Germany
your
and
5.
shit,
Yeah.
do shit, go to like
Fucking Sweden.
Fago or some shit.
You know what I'm saying?
For a Thursday night.
London, Sweden, and Serbia. Shout out to Tony Ayo. That shit is just stuck in my head forever. I'm sorry.
That's so sad.
Sad. Shout out to Tony Ayo.
See?
What's he doing right now?
Tony Yale right now? I don't even
Just
know.
chilling?
Just
In the dice game, like, yo, 1,500. Nah, you ain't getting that.
what if he,
You ain't getting that. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm off this. I'm
yo,
telling
you
that.
gotta be like, if you still playing dice in 2017,
And ass betting in 2017? Like,
stay from around me. I'm trying to live a good, virtuous
you know what I'm
Christian
saying?
life.
If niggas even have dice on them,
That's
like,
how,
I'm
that's
like,
the
yo.
slippery spiral. Because
Yeah,
dice,
yeah.
niggas getting robbed at dice games, lead to
You know what I'm
carrying
saying?
guns,
Come
lead to niggas
on.
getting shot.
I'm
and
like, yo,
you
let me see
know?
your pinky nail. Like, let me see your pinky nail right now.
Can't have that, man. I can't have that. I don't want to break someone's heart advice, and they're like, "Where's Jesus?" And like niggas is watching the clock, and I don't show up, and I'm like, meanwhile, I'm in some sort of incarcerated state. Like, officer, I have to go record.
In Connecticut and shit, because you tried to go on the run after you shot a nigga in a dice game. Fucking call
He's
me
like,
up.
officer, I gotta get the Viceland. Call Spike Jones. Like,
yo.
fuck Spike Jones. I saw her. It wasn't that good. I couldn't follow the plot.
Nigga calls me up. It's like, yo, Mero, just clap this thing. I'm like, yo, I just gotta pick up Adrian first. They go pick up Go get the kid, have you call with a dead body. Like, yo.
Your son is just like playing putty with the dead face and shit. Like, yo,
Daddy, his face is really
Dad,
cold.
your friend's sleeping. Your friend's sleeping and he's leaking jelly from his head. Six-head world.
Six-head world. I'll be like, don't worry about it. His iPad. They don't give a fuck. He's playing
Yo,
Angry
look
Birds.
I was watching my nephew. He like
Yo,
he went
technology?
straight to he went straight to those toy unboxing videos
Fam.
and just watches it.
Yes.
I'm like, what? And like he
Yes.
went, guys, like little plate of oranges and sat there and watched it. And I'm like,
bruh, it's fucking incredible. I don't know. Is that consumerism? Is that like, I don't know what it is. Because I'm like, yo, I'm an asshole.
Right.
I'm a terrible parent in that I literally buy my kids whatever they want all the time, no matter what. Like, even if they're being a dick, like, well, I'll be like, yo, I'm going to take you to Toys R Us if you're good. Nigga will
Yeah.
be good all day. I take him to Toys R Us, nigga starts wilding out.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, I'm not going to get you anything. We're going to just cancel this whole trip and go home if you don't start, you know what I'm saying, chilling. And then he'll be like, all right, he'll chill for 10 seconds, start wilding out again. But it don't matter because I'm still getting whatever I came there to do. And then, like, after that, it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, you got mad toys. Like, why are you watching unboxing videos of toys that you already have?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, and they'll dead ass sit there for an hour straight and be like, yo, oh shit, yo, new SpongeBob, watching this shit get open. I'm like, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Like, I understand, like, a sneaker unboxing video because it's like, yo, this is, like, suede and, like, you know what I'm
Even
saying?
that, I'll watch
the
those.
midsole and, like,
I'm
whatever.
I
You know
do
what I'm
those.
saying?
I mean, I do myself.
You do your own research?
Yeah.
You just look at the specs?
No, when like I unbox the sneaker when I buy it. That
Oh,
small
shit.
unbox and shit.
Oh, shit.
That's
Oh,
not-
this nigga, the Uniflex.
That wasn't trying to flex. I'm just.
Yo, nigga said, fuck, that's a flex.
You do what you want. You do what you want when you popping. You know what I'm saying? As Future said. Shout out to Future. He dropped two out. He dropped that one last night.
Yep.
Shout out to y'all that were up that saw me drunkenly live tweeting that shit.
Fuego?
That shit is very hot. It's singing Future. You know what I'm saying? Got a track on there, Rihanna.
Ooh.
He got one song, he's like, shorty, something about, you must be kidding when you think you do more drugs than me. I was like, all right.
I respect that. All right.
I like that. He has a great song with The Weeknd, because The Weeknd comes on singing some beautiful bullshit, and then basically Future's track is drugs, why haven't you killed me yet?
Stick talk.
So, I mean,
drugs, why haven't you killed me yet?
Yeah,
Wow,
it's very dark.
Yo, but you know what it is? Some people do that and then live mad, long, prosperous lives. Like, he might be the one. You know what I'm saying? You never know. Some niggas do it and perish while early in the game. You know what I'm saying? And some niggas don't.
That's going to be me. I'm one day just OD off chewable vitamins, man. Because they take one in the morning. Next thing you know, it's 11 o'clock. You got that bottle face out like,
Yeah, it's so good. It tastes like crunchy. It's like tricks.
They're vitamins. They can't be bad for you, but yeah,
nigga. Eat a whole bottle of iron.
I'm going to die from vitamin C overdose. Like I got sprayed in the face by Putin.
Actually, vitamin C is water soluble, so your body just uses what it needs, and you pee out the rest.
Sounds like big vitamin C got to you, my brother. Over here spitting that vitamin C propaganda. No, that's vitamin D over here. D-town.
That's straight freshman year biology shit right there.
Is that biology or is that be chemistry?
Damn, that's a good question because I don't remember if it was chem or
and you
bio.
worked in a school.
Yeah, no.
Damn.
No, I'm talking about when I was in college.
Oh.
Yeah. And I still don't remember that shit either.
Well,
wow.
You don't need school.
What's the most obscure thing you remember from college?
The most obscure thing, like, that I learned in college, or
that you remember still, like thoroughly school a nigga on XYZ thing subject. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like I forgot everything I learned in college.
No, I retained most of it.
You know what I'm saying?
A lot of it was computer stuff, English literature, a lot of Shakespeare. Oh God,
a lot of Shakespeare.
A lot of Shakespeare.
Yo, my brain automatically erased Shakespeare. Like it was just like, no, get the shit out of here.
At one point in the Shakespeare class, we had to act out his plays, and there's like every person in the room had to get together with other people in the class and like put together like a little scene and shit and act the shit out. And because number one, I was like the only guy in the class, and number two, I was the only black guy in the class. I had to end up playing Othello like mad times. And I was like, yo, and like every day the teacher was just like, again Othello. I'm like, yo, you made this curriculum. Like, I know I threw like you when you made your syllabus back in April. You didn't know you was getting so brother flex, but we gotta do what we gotta do. And people was like, "Yo, can we meet ahead of time to like go over this?" I'm like, "Nigga, like I'm black. I know Othello's part."
Come on, let's be real.
I'm like adding slang on the shit. I'm like, "To be or not to be, my nigga. Straight facts,
straight fitted
on the deck." Romeo, where your Timbs at, my nigga? Let's go see Juliet. She's in the wild.
Yeah, bitches want to that, nigga. I think we can triz
she
that.
at Seafood City.
Yo, let's triz that, yo.
But I heard the Capulets gonna be there, so I'm bringing the burner just in case, because them niggas not gonna catch me slipping.
Nah, fuck that. Them niggas pussy don't bust their gun.
Kill that nigga Mercurio.
Fuck out of here.
Pussy,
fuck you, nigga. Mercury. I fucking nigga. Make you holler, Mercury, nigga.
Right.
Fuck out of here.
Tired these Capulets.
Fuck out of here.
Let's remake. We're gonna remake
Romeo and Juliet for the 38th time.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
The Bronx edition, though.
Yo.
Because the only good one was the one with, damn, what was
Leonardo
it?
DiCaprio?
Yeah.
And John Leguizamo and shit. It was weird, and it bugged me out because I thought it was what was that, Baz Luhrmann? Shout out to Baz Luhrmann, who also did The Get Down from Netflix, right? Who, like, his visual style is ill, but it's like you either fuck with it or you do not fuck with it at all. You know what I mean? Like, and I don't know. And that was an ill version to me, but it's like, damn, you niggas really did the whole, like, Shakespearean language shit and really stuck with it.
Yeah.
And that kind of fucked it up for me. You know what I'm saying? Because I thought they were going to do, like, you know.
You thought they were going to do what?
Regular English. Yeah, that's such a terrible American thing to say.
Wow. That is a terrible white thing to say, but I'm thinking we could remake it in the Bronx. It doesn't have to be Bronx people. Make it for a younger generation.
But
Romeo could
original...
be Little Uzi Vert.
True.
Juliet could be It's Leaf, the chick from
True.
Fool's Gold.
Yeah. Who's Mercutio?
Sean Kingston.
Sean Kingston. Nice. Yeah. Who's the other guy? Oh yeah, to my nigga Tim Balls.
See? You got this. Listen. We writing this shit,
we're
dog.
doing it. Fuck
This is
that.
out here.
Yo, niggas they remade Carmen.
Wait till like the studio's gonna like beg us to come out. We'd be like, all right, we'll meet at the fucking what's that restaurant we always go to in LA for the big power deals? Yes, we go there with no socks on and shit. It's like the first time I left my house in like 2 years. I got the wild long nails and shit. I've lost my mind. I'm like peeing in bottles and shit.
I come through with like a pound of weed just like on me for no reason, just as a body pillow.
We haven't talked in like 10 years. Like the company's like, yo, 50 mil just have this meeting. Like just
guys.
come up with an idea for something.
Don't waste my time. Niggas go there just start singing merengue and shit like. Can
I have water for my cat?
Like, what's wrong with these guys? They're like, shut up, they're geniuses.
My cat wants water. My cat has clearly been dead and it's like taxidermy.
Sir,
it's like,
that cat is not alive.
Shut your face. All right, you guys doing a film, huh? All right.
Damn. Let's see. Let's do Romeo and Julie Transformers crossover. Get John Turturro on the horn.
Do Beat Street, but with robots. But the robots are transgendered.
Boom.
You're welcome.
Excellent. Oscar.
They would win an Oscar. It's the most touching movie ever. We just make like 100 mil. Like I'm not even depositing the money anymore. It's just like in a room in my house getting mowed on it.
Niggas like El Chapo and shit.
I live in fucking Grey Gables and shit. Like Green Gables. Just a wild, dilapidated house that smells like cat piss.
Niggas at Rancho Cucamonga and shit. Like
fucking entertainment's like, whatever happened to Jesus Nice? The reclusive comedian hasn't been seen ever since having a nervous breakdown on the set of Desus and Mero.
Paparazzi gets a picture of you like fixing an old car outside with a stocking cap on, like
got a palm ball hanging from my lip and shit.
Well, house shoes.
I'm using a fucking car hanger to make my muffler stay up on the back of my 1994 Volvo.
Yeah, he's like, what's wrong with him? Oh, God.
With an estimated net worth of $230 million, he chooses to drive with a car that randomly shuts off in the middle of daytime traffic.
I don't understand.
A car's a car. You know what I mean? Why I need a new car? Volvos are good cars.
It works.
Crumple zone.
It works.
Oh, shit. Yo, you man. Oh, is everything okay, guys? Yeah. Okay. Mero, what do you think about Future's parenting advice? Did you...
Yeah, no, I peeped that. Like he said, kids gotta. I'm paraphrasing, but he said basically like I'm a superstar, so my kids gotta understand that and know that like I'm not gonna be around a lot.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Which is, I mean, it's true. Like he's a rapper. He's a musician.
Is that what you tell your kids?
I mean, not so much now. You know what I'm saying? Because like I am around enough. You know what I'm saying? Like. You know how it is. We do the show. I go home. You know what I'm saying? I chill with them. Come back here, do the show, and rinse and repeat. But this nigga's like, yo, I'm in Iowa one day. I'm in Cali the next day. I'm in Hawaii. I'm in Europe. I'm in this. I'm in that. So it's like it's a little different. You know what I'm saying? Like if I like niggas ain't touring like that. You know what I mean? And also if the money's right, it's like, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like.
You can miss a couple of graduations if the money's right.
You know what I'm saying? It's like, bro, you're the reason why you're in this school. You know what I'm saying? That I got to pay $1 bazillion for a year that you're graduating from is because I'm in Europe and fucking.
Also, let's keep it 100. Graduation is not that big a deal. Like
it really, and it really depends on what it is, and like, and it depends on the kid. Because if it's your one kid that you had to struggle to push them through school and they finally did it, then it's like, yo, I got to be there. But if it's like your smart kid who just is like, yo, I know
you should just not show up for any of them and put a hate for you in their heart that will drive them to be successful too.
Oh, okay.
That's how you make long money. Can't count on this new money shit. Listen, there's been a lot of audio issues. I don't want to have to speak on it. We're going to have a staff meeting right now on this podcast. Yeah. People were eating. Oh, that's the last episode. Yeah, because it's crystal clear clarity. These mics are like, how much do these mics run?
Yo,
these shits is like $40,000 each or some shit.
Yeah, but
you can hear everything. If you're really quiet, you can hear the hairs on our faces growing in. My fault. Oh, nah, you can't because over here, fucking potato chip McGee.
Oh, yo, you can hear the shit over. Oh, shit. Nice. Yo,
it's all right. It's all right.
Nah, it was me, and it was me last time too, because niggas told me, and they were like, "Yo," and I was like, "But I'm sorry, nigga, those Funyuns were delicious."
They were delicious. Shout out to Funyuns.
And I was fucking smacked.
Fucking some Funyuns. Fucking some Funyuns, yeah.
Yo, and it's the nature of the beast. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is in here smacked. You know what's gonna get.
It's early in the morning.
Snacks are getting demolished.
Wow. Remember when we used to record? We used to record DVM at like 4.
Yup.
Yeah. Damn. I remember we were like, yo, could we be funny at 10? Nigga. We like the Happy Days shit now. Monday, Tuesday, Happy Days.
1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. Shout out to the Fonz.
Did they let black people in at the diner? At the Happy Days diner?
There was I think.
They had like I
think there
never
was
watched that show because I always felt like that was a racist. As a child, I just assumed every show on television was racist, so I didn't watch it.
But then like it bugged me out because the Arnold, the owner of the diner, went from being like an old white guy to being an Asian dude out of nowhere.
Yeah, he was Mr. Miyagi.
Mr. Miyagi played Arnold. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But I don't remember black people in Happy Days. I didn't really watch Happy Days like that. Because you know what I'm saying? Like the reruns came on like regular TV and not even cable. When you had 3 channels and an antenna. Like, that's when I watched that type of shit. Honeymooners, all that shit. I watched because I was fucking pot. Niggas only had 3 channels.
Oh, man.
And Uncle Ralph McDaniels.
Oh, wow. There was apparently an episode where Fonzie kind of ends segregation or some shit. He meets someone called Sticks. Listen, I don't know.
Fonzie ends segregation?
I don't know, man. I'm not trying to fuck with.
Shout out to the Fonz, yo.
I don't know, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, yeah. And everyone laughing like, yo, that show had no black people. Like, Seinfeld didn't have any black people until the end. Then they had that lawyer that was supposed to be Johnny Cochran, which was kind of like, yo, we're tight over OJ getting off.
Right.
So,
but, plot twist, Happy Days definitely was a racist show because you know who was a budding star on that show? One Chachi, you know what I'm saying, a.k.a. Scott Baio, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Who is a member of the Illuminati alt-right, who's trying to destroy the country from the inside out. You understand? You white devils are in power now, but the power will soon crumble.
TT's devil. TT's liberal
of the
devil.
original black Asiatic man.
TT snowflake.
You know what I'm saying? Understand that.
TT snowflake. There's no safe
Understand that,
space.
Chachi.
No safe space from knowledge.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Scott Baio was on
Baio,
the heavy. Fuck him.
You know what? Is
he still getting Chachi money?
He's still caking. He got a little dough.
What a worm.
His wife spent $30,000 in Nostrum last year. So that's what
over the whole course of the year.
Yeah, I mean,
suck my
that's not
dick,
that,
nigga. Fuck out of here.
I spent money. I spent money like that on my weed
Fuck out of
deal.
here, nigga. Heather spends that shit in throw pillows, nigga.
Yeah. Oh, talk that shit.
Yeah, nigga. Grr, fuck out of here.
being fine
Scott
goods.
Baio, you fucking punk.
Spent fucking
Stupid
$2,000 on a branch.
What?
To put it on top of a bookshelf.
Right. Niggas was up at fucking
Buying driftwood.
Yeah, nigga, container store, buying reclaim, restoration hardware, nigga.
There's nothing whiter than buying driftwood for
That is
decoration
the
in your
whitest
house.
thing. And then calling it repurposed.
You know, but see, when I say there's nothing whiter, that's not a judgment.
No, it's not.
I'm not saying it's a good thing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's just a
white
ting.
It's a white thing.
As Drake and my other Jamaican brethren would say, it's just a ting.
Just a ting, yeah.
Just a ting.
You know?
Yeah. It's just like the drink, the ting.
That's
Our
it.
new sponsor.
Hey.
Hey, do you enjoy a citrus flavored soda? Would you like a grapefruit flavored soda? Drink a Ting. Ting. Amazing.
Have you ever had a ting?
Yeah, definitely had a ting. I had tings and like all those like West Indian, like the whole gamut, be from like country club and DR and shit to like ginger beer and shit, all that shit, champagne cola, all that shit that white people are like, ew, what is this?
The first time my father took me to a bar, it was
He copped you a ginger
it
beer.
was Shane's Villa over by Boston Secor. If you are an old washed black person in the Caribbean or West Indian, you know what that is. And I was sitting there with him. I think I was in punishment or some shit. My mother was like, take him out the house because I was being like the wild bad teenager. And he kept ordering drinks, and everybody was like, "Oh, that's your son?" And they were like, "Here, here's around for him." And we had like mad shot glasses lined up in front of us, and I was like, "Yeah, nigga, I'm about to turn the fuck up, nigga." I was like, he was like, "What do you want?" I was like, "Yo, we got a Heineken." He was like, "Whoa!" He was like, "Let him get a ting." I was like, "Nigga, we at the bar. You go embarrass me for the fucking Barrington, and Sebastian, and Wilson, and Grunt."
Grant is in too. You gonna make me drink a fucking
Ting in front of Grunt?
Come on.
And like people was just like, why is he not drinking? He's like, he's too young to drink. He's too young to drink. And little my father though, I was like slapping jack screwdrivers in the afternoon and shit. Like I was out there because I was already in the club and shit. So at the end of the night, I was like, yo, can I get like a real drink or whatever? He was like, give him a virgin pina colada. I was like, I hate this nigga.
Fucking
This guy's the worst.
coward.
I hate this guy.
My uncles are terrible, B. Like my pops tried to be like, yo, don't like not give me alcohol and do whatever. My uncles, nigga, I'd be like, I'm like 8, 9, 10, and we're at like those big family parties where everybody's just wild drunk and there's just mad music playing or whatever, and like,
Yeah.
And fucking my uncles was like, Becca, mira, Toma. Nigga puts the bottle in my mouth. I'm like, yeah, this is disgusting.
When
like,
you're a kid,
ew.
you're like, beer's nasty.
Ew.
I remember being a kid and be like, oh my God, I would never drink beer in my life.
Yeah.
And now I'm like, hey, what time is the bodega open?
Hey guys.
Poppy. Matter of fact, why don't you just leave 2 beers under that mailbox? We don't have this problem tomorrow morning.
Yo,
What am I going to do on Sunday at 4 o'clock?
damn, is that why you'll never leave New York City? Because you get beer at all times?
No. Just buy beer in advance if you need beer.
Oh, that's true.
Look,
Yeah, that's
Just got to plan in advance.
That's true.
That's simple.
Shut
Just have beer at your house.
Shut the beer.
Shout out the beer.
I went from
Using
fucking,
it to numb life problems.
Yo, shout out to you. I went from thinking beer was nasty to straight up drinking 22-ounce beers of whatever kind
Listen,
just to get a buzz.
my view on beer and eating pum pum is the same. When you're young, you're like, come on, you pee from there. I don't want to put my face down there. And, you know,
And then you grow up.
you get a more varied palate as you get older.
And they say your taste buds change every
Taste
7
buds
years.
change. You're like a more complex, refined, flavorful mouthfeel.
You
know what I mean?
You gotta eat a new choach every 7 months. Or whatever the fuck it is.
Choach in the box.
So,
Just send it out like blue ribbon. Like,
yo,
did you get this month's? Did you get this month's choach?
it was amazing. It's locally sourced from the Bronx. Yeah.
I was surprised.
Yeah.
I was surprised.
Yeah, Yesenia, I thought it would be a little too spicy for me, but it was perfect.
I enjoyed it with a side of parsnips.
Oh, amazing.
Just amazing.
Great notes of adobo.
It was a little saffron
Yeah.
in the lobby.
It was very argumentative, actually, when I was trying to put it in the pot.
It
But,
was-
you know, that's fine.
It was worth it. I had to earn that meal. Wow. That was pretty problematic. That wasn't
problematic, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know. Is there anything problematic anymore now that Trump's president?
I mean, it can be.
No.
I was told by several scholars that you are allowed to comment on your own community. You cannot comment on others outside of your community, but you could like fuck around and make semi-problematic statements about your own community.
That's not
I was
true.
like, I don't know if that's true.
That's
or
not true.
But hey,
'Cause first of all, like that's most like white writings on the internet are comments on other people's communities.
that's what I'm saying.
It's mad
You can't do that.
problematic. But they're white because they can do it.
You know what I'm saying?
We don't really
But like
do it.
as a Dominican guy, I can be like, yo, Dominicans, y'all are fucking up in this aspect. You know what I'm saying? I see.
Well, how
overall-
plugged into the community are you? 'Cause-
That's what it is. I
you know
feel
what
like
I'm
that's
saying?
what it's dependent on. Like if you're just a nigga on the couch,
Are
you
you
can't
the
do that.
Dominican Sage Seal? Do they consider you a sellout?
Yo, imagine? Nah, definitely not. I be
Like,
putting on so crazy, and I use so much slang and so much like
But
street level
sometimes
shit.
it's like, yo, is it too much?
Nah, because it's
You
like
know?
first of all, I would never let a
What do you-
nigga touch my hair.
How do you feel like Lin-Manuel sees this shit and like, yo, like
Lin-Manuel's not Dominican, right? What is he, like Honduran or some shit? Lin-Manuel Miranda?
Oh, Lin-Manuel?
He's like Cuban or some shit.
damn, you both failed my
I
test?
think no.
You both failed.
How'd I
This
fail
nigga
you?
don't got facts on deck. You over here don't even know if Lin-Manuel is Dominican.
No.
Am I the
He's
only
definitely
person
not.
that showed up today?
No, he's not, because if he was, I would know. You
Yes,
know what I mean?
I
I'd be here,
know,
I'd be like,
I know.
hey, no lo mismo personaje, tú sabes, estamos aquí listos.
I wonder. We have to find out if you're Dominican enough.
You know what I'm saying?
In the Heights, though?
Maybe. Oh, he did do it in the Heights. Yeah. He's honorary. Even if he's not, he's honorary because he did that in the Heights play. You know what I'm saying? But maybe that's not good because maybe that's what made white people want to move to the Heights and be like, Julio upstairs in 4C is playing bachata music extremely loud at all times, okay? So I'm talking to the landlord, Shlomo Rothstein, about this at once.
He said Shlomo. My God. You can't have it both ways, bro. You can't say shit about Jewish people and Dominicans. Like you have to pick one.
I gotta pick one.
You gotta pick. You gotta fill out for TR78. The form that's like, I am going to bang with this group, and I can only slander said group. I would tell you to go with the Jews. I feel like that's.
It's a safer bet.
I want to see you,
know
open
what,
up
though?
for Jerry Seinfeld one day and just do like those hardcore Jewish dad jokes and shit.
Man.
And I just want to see all those smiling Jewish faces in the Beacon Theater.
I
Like,
know.
ow, I love the kid Mero.
I love him.
I love the kid. Oh, and you're just talking about, oh,
That's all
I mean, do I have to start driving now to get a space for my minivan at soccer practice?
Give me a break here.
That's what it sound like when I have his uncles and shit. Like,
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
This is, wow. If it isn't,
Thanks for coming out, guys. This is incredible. Listen,
this guy always parks it directly in front of the synagogue. You'd think he was Donald Trump himself.
I mean, give me a break. This guy thinks who he is, right?
And this guy, Mr. Recommend the Bagel.
Let's get back. Hold on, niggas.
Look at my nigga right here in the front row. Yo, what kind of toupee is that, my nigga? I'm about to roast your shit.
Your crowd is half black, half Jewish. It's like a weird mix, but it's somehow banging. Like the concession stand is a mess, but niggas just fucking like niggas like, yo, these conditions is slamming my nigga.
Yo, son, y'all got Hamantashes and hot wings? Let's get it.
Fuck. Oh shit, that smoked herring?
Yo,
Oh, that's good. That's
that
good.
shit got paprika. Let's get it, my
Let's
nigga.
get it,
Woo. Oh my god.
You can make this happen. Anything is possible, Bobby.
You guys heard about Katie Nolan?
Yeah,
What happened to
yeah,
Katie
yeah.
Nolan? Oh, okay. Yeah, she's in Flux, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Shout out to Katie Nolan.
Shout out to Katie Nolan.
Big Tings Iguan.
You know what I'm saying? Garbage time.
Garbage time. We
Emmy winner.
knew you when you were garbage,
You know what I mean?
and now you're no
You're not-
longer,
you're
now
not
you're no
garbage?
longer garbage.
Like your garbage is your working title?
She's cool, people.
She's cool people.
She's gonna go far.
Yeah, go do your thing.
She's a. You ever meet a child and they're full of spunk?
Yeah.
Well, she's not a child, but
But she's mad full of spunk. Mad
She's
potential,
driven.
B. Like if this was a parent teacher conference and we were her parents,
Yeah.
the teacher would be like, Katie has amazing potential.
listen. Now as I stroke my taxidermied cat, I have a new show for CBS. My Two Dads reboot. Me and Mero are the dads, and Katie Nolan is our daughter.
Holla. Let's get
Or
it.
we could just do like Blossom, I guess.
Yeah, Blossom.
Blossom was kind of dark.
Blossom was kind of dark.
Did the mother die or some shit? And
They did, yeah. And then the pops was just like on some wild depression shit.
Yeah.
Wasn't he an alcoholic or some shit?
I know he got carjacked in an episode by a lady with a pillow under her shirt.
That
And-
pretended to be pregnant?
Yeah, and they took all the presents. And I was like, damn, this shit was dark as fuck. As a
Where
child,
did they live?
I was like, they were in Cali, I'm sure.
In Cali?
I think.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Shout out to Joey Lawrence making a career out of whoa.
Yeah, he was like dancing and shit.
Yeah, he was dancing. Wasn't
was-
he in New Kids on the Block too?
His brother.
His brother was.
Yeah.
Shout out to New Kids
Mark.
on the Block.
That's-
There's like 10 of them niggas, bro.
New Kids on the Block was a.
They were popping for a minute.
They
I
were.
think.
They were popping. They were like the white Menudo.
I was gonna say White New Edition, but okay.
I mean, that's a comparable.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you could compare
Like
them the
young
same.
boy bands,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
But I feel, you know what? Because growing up in the Bronx, especially, that was when around the time Menudo was like really popping.
Yeah.
Was when we lived by Fordham Road, and
Oh, yeah.
a conversation I overheard my parents saying, "This block is getting a little Spanish." So we moved up to a little Jamaica. But my mother came in one day because we had a building down there, and she just was complaining about niggas was eating like mangoes and just spitting the seeds in front of the building, which I thought was a very particular problem for a Bronx neighborhood. But the block was getting a little Espanol, if you know what I'm saying. The hallways was starting to smell like, you know,
Yo,
fucking sausage and shit.
it's a sausage. No. Also, this nigga released 2 albums in 2 weeks.
Who, Future? Yes.
Wow.
Yes, he did.
Holy shit.
That's why his kids can't see him.
Wow.
You see your man Shaq threatening niggas on Twitter?
What'd he say?
Have you guys not been following that story, JaVale? And they've been going back and forth.
Shaq and JaVale McGee?
Yeah.
Because I heard him say some shit last night in the halftime show between the Knicks, who got fucking demolished by the
Washed.
Cavs. Who, like,
Listen,
what else-
they kept up for like.
Yeah, they did.
But it's
They
typical
did.
Knicks shit.
Yeah, you know what I'm
I mean?
saying? And then the other game was whack. Clippers Warriors was fucking terrible.
Not turned
But
off.
Shaq said some shit, and Charles Barkley cursed live on the air because he was trying to slander the Knicks. See, you never prosper when you slander the Knicks. Nigga, God don't like ugly. If I see you in the street, nigga, I'ma duck your shit.
Did you hear how he pronounced Samoan?
Some more.
Yeah, I was like, what?
Some more. I'm like, nigga, you talking about the comedian? Some more?
I'm like, get this turkey out of here.
Yeah, get this fucking wing. And now he's scared to death of Shaq because they had that nigga sitting next to Shaq, and everything Shaq said that was like kind of like conversational. He's like, "Well, Tag, you know, Shaq, that's crazy way when you say that."
You gotta be. Listen, basketball players is big. Shout out to Charles Oakley. I met him.
The God?
The God. Met
what I'm
him
saying?
the other night.
I heard he was aggressive.
You saying? Listen. Don't get it twisted, you know. Vice Lab Monday through Thursday, Desus Mero, but it's still a little D for 233rd all day, baby. So you're not gonna talk to me no kind of way. And you know, we talked.
Okay.
We talked.
A heated conversation?
Not a heated conversation.
A warm conversation.
He kind of leaned in with his chest when he spoke to me, and I had to lean back in with my chest, like, you might be bigger than me, but don't count it out, because I got a bottle in my back pocket.
Me, I grabbed the bang. I
You
don't
know what
care
I'm
about
saying?
size.
I don't care about size.
Yeah.
I was like, yo,
Oh,
nah,
shit.
you know, I was trying to get him on the show.
Yeah.
And he was like, I should have had a business card on me, and I was like, yo, you know what I'm saying?
Why
I
you
did
niggas
it.
doing
It
business
was like,
cards,
whatever, it's
bro?
cool. Came on, it's all good.
Man, get off that analog shit. Do e-business cards exist? Where I
Yeah.
could like zap you an e-business
Yes,
card?
they do.
Like that's what niggas need to be on, bro.
it is.
Like get out of here with that paper shit, bro.
what I'm saying?
All I'm gonna do that with your card is like scoop weed or like cut up a line and shit. Like that's what I'm doing with your fucking business card.
Yeah.
To be completely honest with you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But shout out to Oak. He was good. He's going to try to come on the show. He was out in Cleveland sitting next to Jack Gilbert at the Cavs game.
Yeah.
Very aggressive. I
Yeah.
like that. I like
Yeah.
that. Keep putting that pressure
That's
on
right.
James Dolan's neck.
That's right.
Jay Dolan gets coward of the week. He spent $300,000 to help Trump get elected.
Fucking wing. I read that and I was like, it makes perfect sense.
He overpaid.
Fucking clown.
See, that's why I don't like buying like Knicks shirts and shit, because that shit goes directly in his pocket.
In his pocket. Really? It's him?
That. It's him.
Damn.
All that shit goes to him, man.
100%?
I mean, not 100%. Like, he's not. Modell's is not writing a check. Like, yo,
Yeah.
we sold
But it's
50
like
jerseys.
Models and the NBA gets a cut and the
But I
Players
mean,
Association.
it trickles.
Right.
At
It
the
trickles
end,
down to him.
at the end of the day,
He's making
as it
money.
says in the Bible and the many interludes on Love and Hip Hop.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He's making money off
What
of
a
it.
wing, bro. But you know what it is? You can't even stop him from making money.
can't.
So it doesn't matter. Like, even if you boycott the Knicks and buying shirts, it doesn't matter. Nigga got
you
cable, he got the Garden, he got the Rangers.
You got the Rockettes. You got Radio City Music Hall.
Come on.
Come on. This last night, I was like, why am I watching this Knicks game?
Yo.
First of all, shout out to ESPN. You should have flexed that game. Why did you show Cavs Knicks?
When fucking Pelicans, when this nigga just went to the Pelicans.
Someone needs to be fired for that.
Yo, I was like-
you need to bring someone into like the conference room, into the auditorium and behead them to raise morale, to let them know, that shit's changing in Bristol.
Yeah. And yo,
this.
not for nothing. I mean, to be fair, that game ended up being a total blowout anyway. But Boogie got 27 in like 10.
Yeah.
And AD got
That
like
would have been a
29
better
and
game
10.
to watch. Also, Chris Stepps left with a limp.
Yep. And now he's in a walking boot, but it's just
walking boot.
precautionary. You know what I'm saying? On the injury update over here on Bodega Boys.
My life as a Knicks fan.
It was crazy, yo.
When you look at my life.
And they were talking about like the trade deadline and this and that, and I was like, there was a couple guys out there, Jimmy Butler, Paul George, and niggas. Everybody's talking about Melo. I was like, Melo's not going nowhere.
It was
dog.
going there.
He's not going nowhere.
Phil Jackson was trying to have like a fire. You know what, like homeless people sell like a Walkman, one sneaker,
Yeah.
a book, a half-eaten apple on a dirty blanket in
Yeah.
New York. Phil Jackson had Melo on a blanket like that for the Madison Square Garden. Like, yo, your best offer.
Yo,
I'll trade it for half a Chipotle bowl.
hey, if
Get
you
him outta here.
If you get him, I'll give you the shoe too.
Yo, take this.
Take this.
This is Charlie Ward's old drinking cup.
Look. This is the gun Clee Anthony Early got clapped with.
Oh, I can beat that. Look. This is one of Sprewell's old braids.
Yo, what's up with Clee Anthony Early? Is he even in the league? He's not. He's in the D League or some shit.
Wow.
Damn, dog.
Life came at him fast,
bruh.
Because he got robbed in he
Strip
came out the
club.
strip club.
Yep.
The
Got
Uber
shot.
he was in got backed in by niggas. He gave up the goods, but niggas still shot him in the leg. How long ago? That was damn. We spoke about that on this.
Yeah.
Damn.
Almost a year. I don't know if it was a year ago. But the internet, like I said, the internet has destroyed my sense of time.
Yeah, I don't. Time is for broke people and Babylon.
That's true.
I don't need it.
That's true. I don't need time.
I make
at
my
all.
own time.
You know what I'm saying?
I am the master of this. I'm the alpha and the omega. This is what I say when I show up late. Like,
Dil Omega!
I didn't say Dil Omega. I said the alpha and the omega. Did you say Paul Pierce versus Draymond?
And the little bit, and the niggas kicking each other's nuts?
No, last night, like, Draymond was, like, roasting him. Like, you could hear on the live mic on the feed. He was like, oh, you thought you was going to get, like, a Kobe retirement, huh? Niggas don't love you.
Ooh.
You didn't see that? The video
no.
of it. And then this morning, Paul Pierce had tweeted, ha, 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 you thought you was going to have that perfect record, right? That you went 3-1 in the finals or some shit like that with, like, the crying emoji tweet. But she had 55,000 retweets.
Yo.
I did see Draymond kick that nigga, though. That was like... what's up with
your
him,
man is out here. Yo, listen, I'm going on the record. Draymond is a wild, dirty player. He's the new Kevin Garnett. Like, if he could sneak an elbow into your nuts
Speak
or
on
punch
it,
you in
Mero
the
the
ribs,
Greek.
you know what I'm saying? Like, he's going to do it every time.
Mero the
And you know
Greek
what I'm saying?
over here.
And I'm telling you right now, he's taking... Kevin Garnett's retired. He's going to take over that role as, like, I'm the scumbag nigga in the NBA that's going
I'm
to
the
punch every
scumbag.
European player in the face. Also, that KG interview was mad boring.
Which one?
The one that they just did, like the Kevin Garnett All-Star interview, like talking about the end of his career.
I
Kevin
watched that
McHale is a wild swaggerless, and he interviewed Kevin Garnett, and it was fucking boring.
If the shit ain't us, You know what I'm saying? I don't watch it. Man.
That's what it is, because I only untune my TV from NBA TV when I'm watching our shit. You know what I'm saying? And then I go right back to NBA TV. Because I'm addicted to basketball, man. I need it, man. I need it. Baseball season starting soon, man. I need Gary Sanchez hit 70 home runs, bro.
Is baseball exciting? Are we going for baseball this year?
Listen, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be excited for baseball for the first 3 weeks. Mm-hmm. Let's see how the Yankees are doing.
But
if they're doing
listen,
bad, we'll get unexcited, and then we'll get re-excited.
Can
after
I
the
just
All-Star
point
break.
something out though? Unlike every other sports, the first 3 weeks of baseball, because they play every day, that's almost 80 games.
Yeah.
In 3 weeks. Every game is 4 hours
double
long.
headers and shit.
Every game is 4 hours long.
Yo,
that's the thing about baseball. It either be like, yo, because it's just they'll be like, maybe a good 4 minutes of action, but you gotta wait like 2 hours for it.
This is what we gotta do. Now,
you know what?
Since we're popping, every single time that we go to Yankee games, you just gotta be ripped. You gotta be like Schumanati. You gotta be doing some wild shit.
Shout out to drunken Rich. We out there. JDG, CC,
yo, Black
everybody out there. We out there. OJ.
You know what I'm saying?
Molly Ringwald.
BGM nigga.
We out here. We be out there. Like we are so smacked at the games. We have to watch Sports Center at night to find out who won.
For real, bro. We went to that Giant Detroit game late in the season last year, and fucking wore straight Schumanati
out there,
bro. Started walking out the game when Odell caught the one-handed touchdown in the end zone, and we're so shroomed out. We're watching the giant jumbotron, like we're inside the stadium still. Like, yo,
wild.
Yo, it's so ill.
Listen, drugs are bad.
Buddies are flying, but they're fun.
They're fun. That's what they're here for. That's what this made for. Ooh, 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 ooh. Today in Sick Sad World, beloved Brooklyn dog walker, 53-year-old dies after pooches sent him tumbling down the steps of an apartment building.
Wow, the dog pulled him down and he fell?
2 dogs pulled him to his death.
Fucking dicks. They probably ate him too.
No, it was in Red Hook. Carroll Street, 520. The man lost control of the animals and was either pushed or knocked down the steps, cops say. He died on the scene. The dogs were returned to their owners Thursday night. And now, because the Daily News has beautiful writing, they end the article with this beautiful poetic picture that they paint for us. A couple who answered the door at the Red Hook apartment declined to comment Thursday night as a dog inside barked once in the background. All right, that this one was like, yes, bitch, yes, I am, bitch.
Yeah. The dog in the back was like, yo, they killed that nigga. They killed that nigga. Fuck, I'm not no snitch.
I don't make no statements. No, I mean, does it make any sense to say R.I.P.? Nigga, I mean, you're dead.
I mean, yeah, I guess. You know what I'm saying?
I've been told I have a very callous view of death.
Of death? I mean, yeah, you know what it is?
But dies. Everything is finite.
Yeah, it is. Everything's finite. Yo, but I'm saying, like, yo, how buns you gotta be for 2 dogs? What kind of dogs would they be? Were they ponies, nigga? Like, if this nigga got pulled down the stairs by like 2 Shih Tzus, then I'm rescinding my RIP.
They were from the picture. They were pretty large dogs. But remember, a couple weeks ago during the blizzard, the doorman that was shoveling up in Upper East Side and he slipped, fell down the steps and fell through the plate glass window and sliced like his artery or something and bled out.
That's the Final Destination shit.
See, like, listen, life is short.
Damn.
As my ex-fiance used to say, we are all fragile eggs in the carton of life or some shit like that.
Shit.
And I was like, damn, should be smoking that fireweed.
Yeah,
but
past that.
Listen, we can all die very quickly, very easily.
That's true.
Never forget it.
Lloyd Banks said that shit. We all die one day.
Yo, you said that, Lloyd Banks?
Lloyd Banks. I think it's like a show song called "We All Die One Day."
I think there was a period of rap where every rapper that was they either had a track called that or that was the name of the album.
Oh yeah,
rap isn't as obsessed with death as it used to be.
Because they want to have fun and like put Molly in their butt.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's a more fun time. Put Molly in your butt is way more fun than
Tupac
death.
was like, I see death around the corner.
See death around the corner. My enemies want to murder me. Drink a Hennessy in the penitentiary.
Then Lil Uzi's like,
yeah, Molly in my butt, yeah.
Is it better or is it worse?
Ooh.
Were things worse for black people at the time when Tupac was saying shit like that?
I mean, I feel like they're still bad.
It's bad.
It's not exponentially worse, but it's like kind of worse. Like it's a different kind of worse.
I think
you know
because back then we used as a part of the rap genius generation. I read this online, but back then rap was more for like communication because they didn't really have the internet was around, but it wasn't like how it is now.
That's true.
And like now, you don't have to use songs to convey activities and goings-ons on the West Coast. So now you can have more fun songs.
That's true.
Distraction songs, little bread and circuses, so you do not watch as the world goes down because Russia has put a shadow government in the White House.
They have.
Want to hear some wild shit? Now, it all goes back to Rudy Giuliani.
Okay.
Which is, we thought Rudy Giuliani was like the worst person ever. He really is. He's actually a traitor to America.
He's terrible.
All right? This is fucking
He set up 9/11 just so he could G off.
What's worse? This is my, damn, I need a term for this. This is not, what do you call it? It's my theories, man. It's my theories. I need like a cool name
Your
for this
conspiracy.
segment. My conspiracy?
Your conspiracy.
This is my keep my third eye open, stay woke moment. Anyway, basically, Giuliani has friends in New York FBI office.
Okay.
Because when he was running things and shit,
Wasn't he like a federal prosecutor?
Yeah,
too? Yeah.
He was like looking the other way for like certain mobsters and certain like Russians and shit like that, which got him into a good position in like with Trump and them. And then because the New York FBI office was the one that leaked the letter or some shit about they're still investigating Hillary, which kind of fucked up the election. Because remember, like they took that wild turn. At some point towards the end of the election, like that letter shit came back up, and it was like lock her up, her emails and shit like that. Yep. Those same people, they think those people in the FBI that leaked her letter are the same people who are like tipping off shit now and are like working for the Russians. Like that part of the FBI has been compromised via Giuliani, which helps Donald Trump. So they're directly connected to Putin.
Ooh.
I can't verify all this, and if I come up missing because someone sprayed some sort of fucking mercury in my face at Port Authority, you know I was telling the truth.
It's true. He's not lying.
But at the end of the day, and I'm going on record to saying this, when shit hits the fan, if shit ever hits the fan with Donald Trump and they impeach him, Giuliani's going to be a big part of that, and he's probably going to go to jail for like treason.
Oh, I can't wait.
Can't fucking wait.
Yo.
Your days, Rudy, they're coming for you.
Oh man.
Ugh.
Bruh, they should execute him like in a fucked up way. Like
Patrick Desmond's mother.
Yo.
See, listen, that long voodoo.
Yeah.
They can start that little stuff. No, the long voodoo, man. The way she put the duppy on you. The weight upon you. The weight upon you. The weight upon your fucking ugly face. Your new top lip. Can't blow upon soup.
racist teeth. Yo, fucking, he's a wild scumbag. He's gonna get his.
Yeah.
But like, the wild shit too is fucking. Speaking of like,
Conspiracy theories?
conspiracy theories. Well, it's not even a conspiracy theory. The fucking Kim Jong Il's half brother was killed with a nerve gas. VX nerve gas, which all it has to do,
VX stand up. VX out here. Shot the Bull Op City.
You know what I'm saying?
Feeder Wall.
You know what I'm saying?
Chester.
You know what I'm saying? Vassal Hill. You know what I'm saying?
Vorder Road.
Burnside. You know what I'm saying?
Tremont.
Vigsbridge Road. Yo,
Oh, my niggas in Vibridge.
you know what I mean? Huh? But not fucking VX nerve gas, which apparently you only need like 20 milligrams of the shit to even make contact with your skin, and you're dead within like fucking an hour.
Yeah. I mean, if you're a lightweight.
Yo, I was like, yo, can I
That's
put some
when
of that shit
they
in the
say
blood?
that. There's a fiend right now on 168 in Hoe Avenue.
Papi, you got that VX, papi?
That nigga use that shit that use that as a light chaser.
Papi, you got that VX for me? No, not VX. Not VX. V, nigga, V like vagina, you know?
Spray right in my face.
Come on, papi, put it in my mouth. Pause, you know what I'm saying? But yo, if you could do that too, I'll do that if you got no money. Yeah.
Yo, but what's even wilder is the lady that sprayed it thought she was on like a show because she's like an Instagram Thoddington kind of like personality out there.
Yeah.
Listen, they got a whole world out there.
It's wild.
Shout out to her.
Yo, we should go. I just
That
want
would
to
be
go
like-
there and explore that shit.
That's like us paying Yes Jules to go shoot a congressman in the face. Like that shit makes mad. Like we're like, no, it's a prop gun. When you pull the trigger, it's gonna like a little sign's gonna come out that says bang.
Yo, that's what it was. She said she thought it was a prank.
Yeah.
Oh
no,
my
it's,
God.
No, it's a prank. It's for the internet.
It's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro.
It's sponsored by Hypnotic.
Niggas on the floor dying like fucking King Joffrey. Nigga like, she's like, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank.
It's a prank. It's Hypnotic. Someone pour Hypnotic on him.
Yeah. Fuck out
Illuminati. Hypnotic code's like, please hashtag it.
Please hashtag.
Show the
guys.
hashtag.
Don't forget.
Put the hashtag by the body.
Hashtag death.
Shout out to Illuminati.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh no, we shouldn't laugh at. No, listen, they're wild out there in North Korea. If they need more shit, they need more channels.
They need more shit to do out there, man.
Also, you can't trust no one out there.
Build like
Everybody
a
kill
skate
everybody.
park. Yeah, niggas are spies. They'll snitch on you for nothing. For like a loaf of bread and shit. Actually, I don't know. I'm just talking to my ass.
No, that's true. That's true. There's people who eat like dirt and shit.
That's wild.
I mean,
Don't let niggas live like that, bro. Yo,
they
kid,
gotta build a rocket.
Yeah, they do. But they're shooting missiles. Niggas are nervous because they're shooting missiles. Who shot a missile into the ocean? Was it Iran that tested a missile recently, or was it North Korea?
It was North Korea.
It was North Korea. The other day they shot one.
Yeah, their range can now reach Japan, but most recently, Russia fired a missile.
Right.
Of a treaty.
Yeah.
That's all right. That's all right. We're not gonna do nothing. We're wild blunts.
Now it's Modern Warfare 2. It's happening. Like,
Because Donald Trump is like, we're gonna have more nuclear weapons than Russia. Because right now Russia has more nuclear weapons than us, even though it only takes one.
Yeah. Like what are you talking? Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, okay, fam, like you got 1,000 of these.
It's literally like going to a shootout and carrying mad guns on you. Like, you only need one gun.
I need one gun.
If I come with a 38, you come with like the MP5 and the 45 and the 22 and the 38,
M60 that I gotta load with the chain
and
shit.
SK and the Mossberg. And no, it just takes.
As soon as I'm in the trunk, you already like pow pow. Game over.
Pow. Shoot you in your Achilles heel and shit. Just on the ground like
damn.
I could have played D1.
Yo.
Listen.
Speaking of fucking foul shit, you know what I'm saying?
That's some old. That's how you know Donald Trump is old and washed. Cause only washed niggas is concerned about nuclear weapons.
That's it.
That shit is mad. That's like niggas coming back on the block and trying to, like me coming out of jail, like yo, we still got that beef between Valley and Section 5. Like yo, fam, that was like 20.
That was
like,
28 years
you
ago.
gotta let these shits go,
Come
man.
on. When was fucking Hiroshima? Like in 1940? 45. Fam.
That was. Listen.
That was weeks ago, motherfucker.
America, nigga. I feel like that was a very. America was like, yo, you think I won't?
Yeah, that's really what it was.
You think I won't?
Yo, word? That's like you arguing with your girl, like, yo, ma, I swear to God, yo, I will smash your phone. Say, I won't smash your phone. I'm not fucking playing. I hate when you over here texting niggas. You texting niggas?
Imagine other countries where they was like, yo, it's like when you at a house party and shit, and like niggas is fighting, and then someone just pull out the burner and like actually shoot someone. You're like, yo.
Oh, shit.
I know Australia was like, g'day, mate.
Yo,
Whoa.
Yo. You
Blimey.
You niggas are wildin'.
They really dropped the deuce. Like other countries, like imagine you like Poland and shit. You like, yo, I thank you. Yes, I don't know. Fucking Hitler didn't live long enough to see the
whole shit go down. Nah, he murked himself. He murked himself.
Coward.
Yo, fucking damn, I forgot. I totally forgot about the parking shit. I'm an idiot. I'm on
233rd and White Plains. Oh, Mero. Are you still in the Bronx or New Jersey?
No, I'm still in the Bronx. I'm gonna be there.
Yo, Mero's
for
a
a
new
while.
man. He got a new wallet?
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Yo, it's right in front of it's on the same block. So like a little further up.
Bro.
Yo, and that shit expired at like fucking 11:30. So I hope I don't got a ticket.
Come back, grab myself a mouse, 'cause I gotta be in Queens by 12:30.
No problem.
All right, I'll be right back.
Chill. You know, fucking Hitler was mad pussy. He murked himself before he got to see like the end of his collapse. You know what I'm saying? His empire collapsing. You know what I mean?
You would think he'd want to just go out in a blaze of glory.
Yeah,
and
like, yo,
shit.
why you didn't go out like Scarface?
He
Like,
didn't
why
want to
you
get
go
like
hide in the
caught and put
bunker?
on trial and shit, I guess. Because he was mad guilty. Like, and he knew niggas was going to snitch.
Come on.
But then there was all those people like, yo, I was just following orders. Which is like, all right, like, really?
And they're still finding motherfuckers like that, right? Didn't one of them recently die? Like Schindler's wife or some wild shit like that? Like, I don't know.
No, that's
That's a movie.
all right. You okay? You got the. You didn't get the gist, but you got the spirit of
Yeah,
that.
shout
So
to the Gorilla Glue.
all right, that's. Sometimes I wonder how are you gonna pass the Jew test?
Yo.
Before you have to renew your license.
I got-
your Jew license.
I got mad Judaica at the crib. You know what I'm saying? So
Is that a type of weed?
I'm gonna invent that shit. I'm gonna go with the Judaica straight.
My man Mero's gonna invent the star David Blunt.
You know what I'm saying? You smoking shit just makes you feel mad guilty. Hey!
Listen, Jerry Seinfeld, pick him up right now.
Bong, holla.
Did you have to smoke the whole thing? 2 pulls was more than enough. I mean, you're really being really wasteful, Jerry.
Yo.
Yo, what the fuck
man.
happened?
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we out here, you know what I'm saying? It's criminati.
Criminati.
Yeah, I fucking, but the ill shit about buying, like having a house is like, now it's like, yo, this is my crib, so like I could do whatever the fuck I want. You know what I'm saying? Like
Now I do what I want.
Now I know what I want, because every other living arrangement that I've ever had has been like, I got a roommate, you know what I'm saying? I'm living with this girl or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Or like with your parents early on and shit. And like, you know, you don't fucking decorate shit when you live with your parents.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm not really interested in decorating either, but you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? Niggas trying to get out here. buy some furniture, some cool Kanye shit that's from like Germany.
That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna buy the wild, fucking wingding furniture. Have like a sofa that's actually just like a fucking woman's pump.
Yeah.
You have
Kanye furniture and shit.
Do you have a sunken what do you call it?
A sunken living room? Yeah.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
Is that a thing? Is that like something you wanted?
No, but it was just in the house. It's ill because the house is like the kitchen is connected to the living room because it's like an open layout. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Mad natural light, bay windows, shit. And the kitchen has like an eating area or whatever, but then there's the dining room on the left of it, and on the right of it is like this big ass open like living room. Where you throw the wild huge sectional couch and shit like that. And I walked in there and I was like, dog, I already see like the wild 80-inch, like right there, boom. You know what I'm saying? Everybody leaves the crib. It's just me Dolo in the crib watching the wild Pinot on the 80-inch. You know what I'm saying? Just jerking off all crazy.
Have you jerked off in the house yet?
No, no, I don't even live there yet. Niggas haven't jerked off in the house.
What do those two things have to do with each other? Nigga, all you gotta do is find an empty room during the open house and make sure you come out that shit. Wipe your hand on the wall like, I believe I have marked this house as purchased.
Yeah, son. When we sign the closing papers, I'm definitely gonna jerk off. I'm gonna be signing it like, yeah, I'm jerking off and signing it like, yeah.
Congrats, Mr. Congrats in my eyes.
Oh, wow.
Nasty.
Yeah.
That sounds like a fucking black scene. Or Tussies. Or New Bows.
Shut the Tushy.
That's a naughty America.
Nobody does it better. How come Pinot people don't hit us up like, yo, we're gonna give you a free Pinot? Is it because you ran the Pinot game for mad long?
You know what?
And they know you're a boss?
I'm not a boss. I mean, if I wanted to go back and shut shit down, I probably could.
You know what I'm saying?
But we out here chilling.
Let's get these wild bestiality sites popping.
You know what? There's good money in the
Taboo
in the black net for that, but the slippery slope from bestiality to child porn is one hop.
Yeah.
So
no. So fuck that.
Because if someone's willing to
cancel that,
if someone's willing to like watch illegal shit like that, you see what I'm saying?
True. Yeah. Damn, bestiality is illegal.
Yeah, you can't have bestiality in America because dogs can't. Animals, excuse me. Let me not limit y'all scope because y'all be doing the most.
Yeah, I already know about homie that smashed the horse.
Or did the horse smash him?
Yeah, smashed him for real.
Horse gave him that black stallion. No, bestiality is illegal in America.
That's gross.
It should be because animals can't give consent.
Yeah,
I mean,
every time you have sex with an animal, you're raping an animal. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The animal's never like, yo, I want to have sex with you. I
had to stop and see if that was a Milo comment, but yeah, you're right.
Yo, no. Every single time you have sex with an animal, you're raping an animal. That's violation. You should never do that. Therefore, that's why good bestiality being illegal is good.
Yeah.
Because there's no way an animal could be like, yes, and give you consent.
What about the animals that could be like, I love you?
Nigga fucking Astro. I love you, Regis. Bring me that big black Asiatic dick.
Oh my god. Oh, the problematic light is off. The problematic lights provided by Virgin Atlantic.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh man.
Yikes. Niggas in Astro. Yoinks.
Yeah. That was the Mercury.
Goofy goes to like, yo.
Oh, yuck. Oh, yuck.
Yuck. Yuck, Mike. Yuck.
Yo, shit. Yo, because every time, like, I don't know why that popped in my head, but like every time you go on the Pinot sites, they always got like the cartoon Pinot sites,
yes.
And it's always like Meg Griffin like blowing Peter like on some wild incestuous wild
because
shit.
Those banners, those are curiosity banners, and like people who normally would not click on shit are like, well, hold up.
Marge Stimson giving sloppy toppy. Let's see this.
Let me just. I can click back.
You click that shit at 85 windows open.
Gotcha. You gotta download this new version of Flash. Gotcha. Live Jasmine, tag in. Pinot.
I'm going private for 6 more tokens. Yeah, Daddy, you want me to play with my pussy? Yeah.
What tab is?
I'm so wet. I'm so wet. Are you jerking off?
Just told you MacBook.
And yo, when you close the shit, it still talks to you like another time.
Everyone's like, is that your MacBook? I'm like, no, it's not. It's not my MacBook. That's someone else. La da dee da dee da 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 dee da dee.
That should really be on deck for like an extra 10 seconds.
And I'm like, why? If I close my MacBook, is there still sound coming from it? Apple fixed that. Apple's like, I don't see what the problem is. I mean, that doesn't happen if you're playing music from like the Apple Store. What are you listening to? What audio source? I'm like, xhamster.com/7174/ daughter and mommy have private lessons. .html.
Yo. Oh my god.
Oh
Oof, man.
man. Listen, God's working on all of us. Girl riding our own horses, yada yada, shmada shmada, whatever gets you through the grain.
Oh my god.
You know what I'm saying? God's working on all of us.
He is, sorry.
Jeff Sessions, your man.
Yo, that guy's a fucking wing.
He's a racist.
Unbelievable.
He's a racist.
He's clearly a racist.
Clearly racist. He has an agenda. He wants to get private prisons going again.
Popping.
He wants to deprivatize weed. I mean, he wants to decriminalize weed
or
recriminalize weed
Yeah.
because that's the easy way to get brown people into the private prisons. Also, he wants to get rid of all Spanish people, or Latino people, and especially Dominicans.
What a fucking clown. Yo, he's like, when this nigga said "Make America Great Again," he definitely meant "Make America White Again."
The funny thing is,
he's trying to get everybody that doesn't fit that little square the fuck up out of here.
Everyone else in the Trump administration does not know what they're doing, but since Jeff Sessions is like a long time old school racist, he's the most dangerous because he knows how to work the system.
Exactly.
He's like,
niggas have no idea. They're like, "Oh, Steve Bannon, this guy, that guy." No, Jeff Sessions.
Jeff Sessions.
You know what I'm
He's
saying?
like the guy that allowed the Dukes of Hazzards to drive around in a Confederate flag car. I don't get the reference, but that's what it feels like.
Wow. Fucking clown.
Clearly, I've never seen the Dukes of Hazzard, so I don't know what I'm talking about. I know there was like a sheriff in all white.
They did have a Confederate flag, though.
Yes, they got rid of it for the movie, and people was like, "That's heritage." They're the Hazard brothers. They were rebels.
Heritage, not hate.
Go rebels against America.
Man, fuck out of here. Y'all lost.
Y'all lost,
Oh, the
nigga.
Trump supporters love to say that shit. You guys lost. Get over it. Well, you niggas lost. Get over it. Throw
They
them flags in the
lost.
garbage.
Y'all, come on.
Fuck out of here.
Y'all had a home field advantage. Y'all lost.
Come on, B.
Did the Confederacy go 3-1?
They
blow a
did.
3-1
They
lead?
blew a 3-1 lead in the Civil War. Like, how you do that?
It was right there.
It was right there, B.
Steph Curry and all them. So sad.
Yeah. Yeah, but fuck him. You know what I'm saying? Because he's doing that. And also, I don't know if it's him in particular, but they're dialing back the Title IX shit. Title 9. I said IX on some wild Roman numeral shit. The Title 9 shit about, protecting trans rights and that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's fucked up.
You niggas are clowns, B. They're trying to just fuck up. They just want to undo everything Obama did because they just on some partisan bullshit. Yeah.
And then people keep popping up like, "Yo, this now you're affecting me because there's someone in my family." Like Shorty that sung at the inauguration, her sister is trans.
Yeah.
And now she's like, he's affecting my sister. She's whack. How many people do you think died in the Civil War?
I say 500,000, give or take.
That's close. 6,020.
Oh shit!
620,000.
Nice.
That's kind of lit. Because they didn't really have big guns like that.
They didn't have big guns. Mad people getting stabbed. Mad people didn't die just die immediately.
Yeah,
like
die from
pow,
infection and shit.
Infections and remember those movies? And I don't know if this shit is real. I mean, I don't know how accurate this was to life, but I don't know if it was Glory or whatever. But when they're cutting motherfuckers' arms and legs
Very
off
real.
and shit,
Yeah.
ah!
They give you a piece of wood to chew on and shit. Listen. It's real.
Yeah.
It's real. Oh, listen to this. A couple met in an Uber pool and are now engaged.
Oh, qué lindo.
How I found love in an Uber pool. They say never found love, blah, blah. Los Angeles. Oh. Okay, well, shout out to them. Oh, look at them, little pretty couple. He got a beard. She's cute. You know what I'm saying? Don't talk to people in Uber pools. Uber pools are for privacy.
That's right. Don't end up, you know what I'm saying? Don't end up like Hurt Bay. Don't be Uber Hurt Bay.
Don't be Uber Hurt Bay. How many times did you cheat?
I don't know.
Did you do that thing you do?
Yes, I did. I put it in the peanut butter.
Did you?
Yes, I did. I did ask to mouth. I'm sorry.
Did you?
I wasn't thinking at the time. I just was like, I want to put my penis in her butt and then in her mouth because I saw it. Our big wet butt's 11. Bro, you know I idolize Brian Pumper, man. We both light skinned fuck boys.
You didn't do it while listening to Bryson Tiller, did you?
Don't
Shout out to Hurt B. He's Hurt B because he's saying that he made her famous because she has like 200,000 Twitter followers or that shit. You didn't make her famous. You made her like a meme.
Yeah,
right? Relax.
You didn't make her famous.
All right, look at Soap Bay. Soap Bay was popping last month. Now Soap Bay is like, all right, cool, whatever.
Yeah.
Like, niggas don't.
But yo, I mean, and on the same tip, it's like she looks like the wild herbivore, nigga. Like, oh, I didn't have no ticket.
Nope.
Woo, we live.
Give it up for the guys. Give it up for the guys.
Fucking YPD traffic suck my dick for the black nigga.
You said she looks like the wild herbivore?
Yeah, like fucking. Wait, what was his name?
Hurt Bay.
Oh yeah. Nah, cause her whole shit was like, I got wild embarrassed and I went viral for getting embarrassed. Like she didn't go viral for something good. Like she didn't hit the folks excellent. Like she just got wild embarrassed. Like yo, you got cheated on.
You're not going on Oprah
like,
for that shit.
You know what I mean? Like,
listen, going viral is not a good thing.
It's not always a good thing.
Not for everybody.
You know what I mean? It could be good. It could be terrible.
It could be whatever. It could be all over the place.
Catch me outside. How about that?
Yeah, how about that girl?
How about that?
What's she going?
Is she doing good?
She's doing well.
She's getting money.
She's getting sued though by Champion because like she made like a knockoff Cash Me Outside with the C for championship. And Champion was like, no, little.
Nah.
It was like, watch out, little bitch, for litigation.
Little Yakub.
Can't do that. You know, you can only you gotta cash in while you got the chance, but not everyone's ready for the cash in. Like, what exactly are you gonna do with a Cash Me Outside? How about that T-shirt? That's like
in like 3 months even.
You know,
Remember
people
that?
buy a lot of T-shirts and we'll get them later. For all of y'all that still got the locker up T-shirt,
yeah,
y'all thought y'all was gonna be wearing that for 4 years.
Ooh, how you feel now?
How you feel? You wearing a locker up T-shirt and Hillary literally out there walking around the woods doing what she want, dabbing around
All
like
that.
maple trees and
Smoking
shit,
mad exotic weeds and shit, like trying new shit,
Maybe.
going to dispensaries, eating gummies and shit.
just doing all types of shit, pinching babies.
Yeah.
And shit. FaceTime in Chelsea.
Fuck out of here.
Chelsea, I found a begonia.
Chelsea in front of Begonia. Yo, Chelsea Clinton has been the most low key child of a president. Like,
Listen, she got her child out here. She's just trying to live.
she's out here just chilling.
Think about it. If you saw your mother lose out on a job she really wanted, and the person that replaced her was completely inexperienced, had no idea what they were doing. Everyone was trying to tell everyone at the company, do not hire him. He doesn't know what he's doing. Now he's in there fucking up. How would you feel? Shout out to Chelsea Clinton just being cool, because I'd be on Twitter every day.
Like, yo, I told you niggas. Should have voted for Mom Dukes.
Catch 22. She's a white woman.
Yeah. So it's like,
White women, 53% Trump
Yeah,
support.
well,
You know what I'm saying? White people holding
damn,
Trump down.
imagine Chelsea voted for Trump.
That would
Plot twist.
ultimate betrayal. Whoa. Say they so Chelsea.
Come on, Chelsea.
You think Bill voted for Trump? I don't agree with him, but that grab him in the pussy.
Oh, I mean, I fucks with that.
fucks with that.
I'm not really trying to be shacked up with this bitch for 4 years.
I mean, she knew what it was. I gotta move to DC. Chill Mo.
Kill Mo.
This is how pussy dog been. Chill
Oh,
Mo.
man. I'm about to give you the mumbo sauce if you know what I mean.
Chill. Y'all jaw wildin', y'all.
Pass me my sacks.
Oh shit.
Fucking Bill.
Bill Clinton. Shout out to Bill Clinton. Hendrix.
Oh, shit. What's going to win the Best Picture Oscar right now? Prediction.
La La Land.
La La Land?
La La Land.
All right.
Because Moonlight's going to get robbed. It's going to
What
get robbed.
are the nominees?
For Best Picture?
Yeah.
It's La La Land.
La La Land.
Moonlight, Killer Season, Just Another Girl on the RRT, Menace to Society, and Carmen, a hip hop opera.
I'm going with Carmen.
No, it's Moonlight, Manchester by the Sea.
No idea.
Oh, you know, with Casey,
Oh, Casey Affleck. Yeah.
the rapist.
Who gets mad country and like
Yeah.
niggas. He's like the Ben Roethlisberger of acting. All right.
Lion.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool. That you know about that movie? Do you have the screener for that?
What is it again?
Lion.
Oh, Lion. Oh yeah, no, I don't.
About the little,
I might.
the little Indian boy who gets on the wrong train.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Every time I have to describe that movie to people, they're just like, "Oh, that's not how." That description is very racist. Don't say that out loud. Hidden Figures, Black Ladies with Math,
That was a good movie though.
Hell or
Not for
High
me.
Water. Not sure what that is. Hacksaw Ridge, whatever. Fences, Denzel and them.
True.
You know what I mean?
Damn, that's a strong.
There is a movie out. I think it's called Kingdom Come or A Kingdom Come. It's about a African prince, and he marries a white woman, and he has to bring her back to his country. And there's a part where he's like, He's like, yo, I love my country, but I love my wife. And she's just like white as fuck. I saw it at what is it? Angelica Theater.
Wow, it's like an indie joint.
It was a little uncomfortable.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
I love my country, but I love my wife.
I was like, yo.
I'm laughing like I'm not gonna be saying that shit in DR in like 5 years.
A Kingdom United. It's about yeah.
Okay.
It's a British biographical romantic drama film directed blah 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 blah. Oh yeah, listen, it's a lot. It's about people, you know, they get married in like 48 or shit. It's the Prince of, but it's now Botswana.
Oh shit.
It was a lot though, and he has like a cool mustache. It's like a part. It's like when it's a mustache I got when I first started to shave. Like I was fucking up, and I was like, "Where's my father?"
Yo, I need help.
I used to use Magic Shave. You're not a real black man if you've never gone through the indignities of Magic Shave and actually smelled your own flesh burning because you left chemicals on your face for longer than 7 minutes.
Yo, I think Fences is gonna win. I don't think Fences is gonna win. I would be okay with Fences not winning if Viola wins everything that she's nominated for.
Okay.
Because she killed it in that movie.
Have you seen Moonlight yet? No.
No, I still got the screener. I gotta watch that. I'll probably watch it this weekend.
What exactly is it that you hate about black gay love?
No, it's just that I have other screeners that I wanted to watch first.
Put them under pressure.
Yo, no, because I have Nocturnal Animals. I have the shit that you just said. You don't know what it was.
Hacksaw Ridge.
Not Hacksaw Ridge. The one right before. It's like a Western type of joint.
All right, okay.
Whatever. So I was like, I had that, and it looks like there's some gunplay in that. So I was like, I'm gonna watch that.
What are you so busy that you can't watch movies?
Well, I mean, I have 4 children or 3.5 children. You know what I'm saying?
Boo.
You know what I'm saying? And Brownie. Brownie is mad needy now.
Listen, Future made 2 albums.
Yeah. But he drinks lean, and he's not embarrassed about it.
Maybe you should start drinking lean. Ask Heather. Next time you go to the hospital, next time you go to the doctor, ask your doctor if your heart is strong enough for sexual intercourse and if you could drink lean recreationally. It will take the edge off. Yo. Let me get a call from Heather like, he just comes home and drinks lean. Like he's just drinking lean. I want to see your tweets off of lean for Nick Games. Oh, yeah. Like you just reacted like bad lean.
Z.
You're like, yo, my nigga Chris Stapps is out here like at 1:13 a.m. I'm like, nigga, the game is over.
Niggas cooking.
Niggas just doing Instagram live, but you got your phone the wrong way.
Niggas just looking at my window. Yo,
it's just mad comments like, turn your phone around.
Turn your phone around. Yo,
Jesus, turn around.
With the little screaming emoji.
Turn your phone around, my nigga. And you're still mad problematic and shit. You're like, yo, y'all niggas don't fuck with. Well, I know why y'all niggas don't fuck with the kid no more.
Yo, why y'all just showing me this little apple symbol?
This is whack, yo. This is whack.
Yeah. Shout out to that weed I had last night though. Was it last night? I don't remember, but I was fucking.
Were you smack city?
Wow. I don't know what it is about my living room because I don't know if it's the same for drinking, but if you're in a perfect environment for it, you get a bigger high. You know what I'm saying? Or like a bigger, because my perfect environment for me smoking weed is my living room. Because it's like my TV's there, the Xbox there, anything I need, the computer's there. If I want to jump online, whatever, I got the phone. All my electronic devices are within reach. It's the most lit up room in the house. You know what I'm saying? There's mad windows. So if it's daytime, I'm in there like, yo, sunlight, smoking weed. If it's nighttime, I'm just in there mad cozy. You know what I'm saying? So I get super smack when I'm in the living room.
So you're saying that because it's the most lit room, that's where you get the most lit?
Absolutely right.
That's terrible.
Dad joke of the year.
That's terrible. I apologize, everyone. If you would like your money back, please write into Red Bull.
Bro, yo, fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here. Fuck out. PU, episode 57. We got nothing left in the tank. Throw them out. This is garbage.
Yeah.
Whatever happened to my they sound coddled.
It's okay. Fuck out of here. We don't got cars waiting for us.
Nah, we gotta take the train. I took the train today and I bumped the shit out of a lady with my book bag and she looked at me and I was like, do something.
I dare you.
I was like, do something. I'm still a little deep for 2/3.
Fuck out of here.
I got shit to prove. Fuck out of here. I was like, touch me, I'll sue. I swear to God. I swear I have vice lawyer. Oh my God, I'll own you. I'll own everyone on this fucking train. Nah. Everyone. I'm taking names on everyone in this subway car.
That's right.
And they were just like, shut the fuck up.
Yo. Fuck up, nigga. Fuck out of here, nigga. You fucking whack, nigga. You stupid, nigga.
You're not even in basic cable, nigga.
Niggas is fucking.
I'm like, who said that? Who here has Optimum?
Yo. Nicki Minaj just featured on 2 songs, like, and I don't even care.
She unfortunately dropped a song when Future blessed us with Lemonade for niggas that wake up at 4 p.m. So nobody was listening to that.
Yeah.
Nah, she's like his album is good because like no matter how bad you treated a chick, you're like, damn, at least I didn't treat her the way Future be treating bitches.
That's true.
And notice I did not say women, I said bitches.
Yeah, that's
true. I'm using the vernacular of Future. People are also like, yo, I can't believe Future doesn't want to see his kids. Future be saying like wild shit like, I drink lean, put thumbs and butts.
I don't care if they're real sisters.
I don't see.
Like...
Shout out to Real Sisters, what I thought was an uplifting song.
Yeah, no. Nigga, it's about actual blood sisters having a menage a trois, which is incestuous.
Sensational.
I
mean, listen.
Yeah.
It's Future.
Fuck it. We out here.
Shout out to Future because of him. Because he said in March Madness, dress it up and go to NASA. They found 7 new planets.
That's right. 3 of them appear to be inhabitable.
3 of them.
You know what I'm saying? They're in the inhabitable zone.
Yeah, it's called Trappista.
Yeah, Trappist is the...
Trappist. That sounds like a wild Atlanta album.
Oh, you already know.
Just Migos and Jeezy and everyone on one track.
Fam, there's going to be like the next mixtape covers coming out of Atlanta are going to have the planets. And it's going to be like Trappist season or some shit where like the rapper's faced in the planet like holding a gun and some shit.
Like, yo.
Trappist
season.
Well,
you know what's fucked up when we get to those planets? They're only 40 light years away.
That's right.
Everyone says that.
You
like,
can walk there.
Like, shit is mad. Like, that's an option on your phone. Like, oh, let me see. Car, train, light years.
You know what I'm saying?
Take that. Can't take the Uber.
Just take the BX9. You good.
You know how much a 40 light year Uber is gonna cost? Especially during surge? Damn, that's at least $200
million trillion dollars. It's like the fucking deficit of Belgium and shit.
Your driver Muhammad's outside. He'll wait 2 minutes. I'm like, wait 2 nigga, we about to. He's like, 40 light years, really? I'm like, I'll tip you in cash at the end. He's like, okay, cool.
All right, fuck it.
Let's go. You want the ox?
You think it's ox real quick?
No, this is gonna talk about ox cord. This is talking about oxygen.
You're like, yo, you got halfway through the ride. You're like, yo, you got an iPhone charger? Nigga's like, nah. You're like, fuck. Yo.
He's like, I got plutonium in the back though. Just I literally put your phone on there.
Yo, pull over on Mars when I gotta take a piss.
Nigga just over at Neptune. He's like, we're picking us over to the Uber pool. I'm like, fuck.
Oh, God.
They come in with mad tentacles like, don't talk to me. I don't know you.
He was like, I am Blog Narf.
No.
I don't come from Earth. I want to destroy your people.
What's going on? What's going on? I don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't want to talk about Trump, man. Come on, fuck out of here, nigga.
I also have the pre-metro cards.
Like, yeah, we actually do have some pre-metro cards. They're popping. Oh, y'all heard about them up here?
Oh, shit, what?
My nigga Dano had to hook up. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, resellers crazy up here. They want 6,800 Duzel cards. Ridiculous. On Neptune eBay, they're charging $100.
It's mad hype, intergalactic hype beast and shit. While you're at Mars taking a piss, I just see mad niggas online for fucking Neptune Yeezys.
You look down at the nigga's feet, you got his tentacles, they got the one fake Yeezys, like.
Niggas got the confirm app, got a tap with their thumbs. Niggas got no fingers and shit. They're like, how?
No.
The game's rigged.
It's like, my whole body's made of gas. How can I tap for Yeezys?
Yeah.
I just walk in there like,
wow.
I guess I win. I'll pick up at Adidas Neptune, huh? Well, I know where I'll be Saturday morning.
You know, there's mad aliens in line and shit. It should look like Star Wars Cafe. Yeah.
Oh, yo. These mad resellers to shit like,
thousands or free Yeezys.
No, I don't got you right now. Niggas trying to rob you.
I can't. I'm like, yo, what's the US to Neptune size conversion and shit?
Like, damn, is that a number?
Like,
this shit just looks like Predator. When Predator used to press the button on his shit. That shit's just, man, fucking.
They're like, what size are you? I'm like, I want to say fig, man shape 8?
Trigonometry.
They're like,
cosine?
Oh, shit, at the Neptune Jimmy Jazz. Only place you can get an official Neptune Avery.
Official.
Now, that Supreme Metro card shit was wild. Shout out to MTA for just giving people what they did not want. Like,
mad random. I'm like, yo, man, my man, like, first of all, you had to have paid for this. There was money allotted towards this. Why not just make that money go towards, like, making the trains go faster and on time?
Something.
Or, like...
Or they could have just been like, yo, here you go to a specific place, or do like an auction or some shit, and then raise money off for the Supreme Metro cards, rather than just have a riot. And like you said the other day about the Jamaican nurses.
Yo, that's what I'm saying. Like, imagine being like a regular ass working person, has no idea what the fuck Supreme is. Now your Metro card line that used to take like 10 seconds is now fucking out the station. And you're like, yo, what the fuck is going on? Now you're 45 minutes late to work because some fucking dickhead wanted to buy 25 Metro cards with $2 on them.
This is my Aunt Patrice. Now she's a wild hype beast.
You know what I'm saying? She just like
She got the Supreme Metro card. Supreme I Love Jesus scarf. Supreme scrubs.
She had the Supreme Crocs.
I fuck with the vision. Let's build.
Yo, let's build, my nigga.
I'm like, yo, chill,
Yeah.
auntie, yo. I was like, yo, is that dead stock? She's like, yo, get out of here, broke boy.
Yo, you don't know about these.
You don't know about these. They didn't even come out yet. I got these at Kith. I'm like, Kith does not sell scrubs. She got scrubs with the crying Jordan face on them and shit.
Niggas say, I'm on scrubs and Kith. Yo.
Yo, what? Here's my question. Where is the Supreme Ape? He just disappeared. Because if he was around, this would not happen.
This is like when you put the bat signal and Batman don't come.
He's gone. He's left
like,
us.
Yo, where you at, my G? Like, this was your time to shine, bro.
Could have duffed out people on the line.
Yo, you could have just walked down that line duffing motherfuckers. It would have been a beautiful viral moment.
Not that we're advocating violence.
Not at all. No way.
Unless, the clip goes onto our show. But
yet again, you know what I'm saying? Duff a Nazi.
Always Duff a Nazi.
Always, all day. Holla.
We're going to make a play called Duff a Nazi.
Duff a Nazi? Musical?
Like there's a play on the Gloria Stefan thing.
Oh, shit.
Duff a Nazi.
Duff a Nazi.
Come on, baby. Duff a Nazi. Duff a Nazi.
In the resistance. Only
This
the last sound machine. Gloria Stefan.
Yo, my God.
And Enzo Enver.
So now, my nigga Ansel.
Ansel in the building.
Yo, Ansel, holla at us, man. I know you listen to this shit.
He listens to it. It says the N-word. Like, yo, can't wait to hang with my niggas. Desus and Mero.
Nigga tapping something for the bill. Like, yo, what's up, my nigga? And they be back hype. Like, yo, come on, son.
Don't be saying.
Told you not to say that shit in public, nigga, out loud. Stop.
Only inside. You paid
Only
money
inside.
for that.
Shh.
Okay?
Right.
Give you the hood pass. He's walking through Edo with the phone like, nigga said, Ansel can't come through the hood. Yeah. Come over here, blood. Dab it up with me one time, OG.
Yo, niggas like, yo, get the fuck out of here.
He throws it. Oh, you want fisticuffs? Oh, you want to rams with the ends? We actually had to run a show today. We touched on everything.
Wow.
Sessions, Russia, Trump, City Island, future parent advice.
Oh, shit.
Any future club appearances you want to plug?
I'm appearing tonight, you know what I'm saying, at the CPAC. You know what I'm saying?
That's right, we're performing.
Yeah, opening up for Steve Bannon. You know what I'm saying?
That's right. We're doing some problematic jokes.
That dude was at the CPAC shit and kept saying that the press is the opposition party. He kept saying that shit, bro.
Yes.
He kept saying that shit, and he's gonna drill it into these fucking numbskulls in Middle America's
Part
heads.
of Cold War propaganda.
Ooh, and it's happening. Get ready.
That's all right.
I hope you niggas keep your third eye open.
It's all gonna come crumbling down because eventually people are gonna call the Republicans a task. Like, yo, you really just gonna let Russia just play the shit out of us?
You know what I'm saying? Like,
that's the thing. You don't have to appeal to people's like moral basis and stuff. If you just frame it in like Americans are stupid. I love us, America. We're great. We are stupid.
Yeah.
You have to. It's like feeding a toddler. You can't give them like You can't give them like a fucking kale in a risotto reduction shit. You gotta give them simple flavors and frame shit simply.
Yep.
And now if you make it, just show niggas Rocky IV.
That's it. Yeah.
Be like Russia versus America.
That's it. That's what it is.
You guys want to lose to Russia?
Here's that chicken stick. Digest that.
All they need is a clip of like Vladimir Putin reading some shit and laughing. And then all those hicks that voted for Trump's gonna be like, wait a minute, where's Rambo when we need him? Where's Delta Force?
Or like, saying something like even if they catch Russia being like, yo, America's a mad stupid. You know what I'm saying? Like, or saying shit like that and then like, insulting them or whatever.
All that economic anxiety and all that shit goes out because then it's just like, yo, fuck that. These stars and bars don't run. Yeah, man. Fucking make America great again. Let's go to war with Russia. Let's not go to war with Russia. That's a terrible idea. Russia will burn this shit down. They do not give a fuck.
Russia got Call of Duty. There's mad niggas over there. First of all, they got mad nukes. You know what I'm saying?
Also, it's like it's not a convenient war.
It's not.
It's like having beef with if you're a project in the Bronx, you have beef with a project in Brooklyn. Well, you gonna take the train all the way over there?
All the way over there to start beefing? No.
So then what happened? Like Russia would have to start attacking allies of America. Now America,
it's mad messy. That's World War III.
That is World War III.
Literally how World War III is gonna start. You know what I'm saying? Niggas spook Russia. Russia starts attacking American allies. Americans are like, yo, we're going to put troops on the ground. They start bluffing a little bit. Actually, they don't bluff at all because Donald Trump is president. So he sends fucking
He
half a
doesn't
million.
seem nuanced. He'd be like, blow it all up.
Yeah, blow it all up. Send 1 million troops in there, and then everything that we don't have.
Bring back the draft.
Yeah. Oh, man. Imagine he did that.
He's going to be like, what's the name of that big robot from RoboCop? What's his name? Ed 3PO? Send him in there.
Bring him in.
Bring him in there.
We
Bring
need
him in.
him. We need
bring
him.
in. What's? Oh, remember in the '80s, it was a fucking helicopter. It was named after a wolf.
It was Skywolf.
Skywolf.
I
Bring in
believe it was
Skywolf.
Skywolf. Bring Skywolf in.
Bring in Michael Knight.
Bring in Kit.
But bring in that truck that he used to drive into. I love that. The
You
tractor
already
trailer.
know. Lit. Kit was lit.
Can we get pole position?
You already on deck.
The animation.
Beautiful.
Spy Hunter with the little oil slick.
Yes.
The smoke thing. We need some of those for our troops.
We need King Koopa's Mario Kart.
Okay, I played this game. Great guy.
Talk to me.
Bigley, one of the generals.
Amazing.
His name is Metal Gear Solid.
Great.
His name is Snake.
Solid Snake?
Solid Snake.
That's my nigga.
That's
I bang with him.
Secretary
all day.
of State.
Amazing. Love the way he hides in boxes.
Oh my God! When he gets that, when the people, I've seen the people get the exclamation point over their head or the question mark.
Amazing.
This nigga using Nintendo power to pick his cabinet. Metroid's in charge of astronomy. Kid Icarus is in charge of arc.
Yeah.
Fucking, you're the diplomat to Greece.
Yo, you made some fucking wing.
Oh.
Shut the Metro though. That shit was lit.
That was a hard game to beat. Also, shout out to Mike Francesa, the Don retiring.
Oh shit, retirement.
Retirement.
Yeah,
and he's
off
about
this.
to bless the streets. By how? Giving us the living art. By possibly letting his replacement be who? One, the only.
Chris Christie. That's right, the Gabagool himself.
He's running down the Price is Right music.
He's like, yeah! Wearing an Italian flag t-shirt. Like,
Oh
yo,
my God! Oh, I'm winded, but
I'm so glad I got shows, man.
oh,
This
wow.
is amazing.
How much, Chris, would you offer for this plate of lasagna?
Oh, man. Can I smell it? Can you bring it closer so I
No.
can smell it? Oh, 10,000. 10,000. 10,000.
It has to be between.
That's what it's worth to me, Bob. Let's be real. Oh, I'm sweating just looking at it.
Oh my God!
My penis is somewhat erect.
Oh man, I can't wait for him to replace Mike Francesa. But call it like, hey, Chris, love the show. First time, long time. I got a trade for you straight up.
Talk to me.
5 pounds of gabagool for Bryce Harper. I'm gonna hang up and listen.
Oh my goodness, Gabagool. First and foremost, Gabagool is the most important asset that we have in Jersey State. You cannot trade that for Bryce Harper. Bryce Harper's going to come here. We're going to lose the Gabagool. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore because I'm so hungry. Mike, can you pass me that 6-foot sub, please? The 6-footer. Yeah, please. Bring the whole thing over here. Please put it in my mouth right now, please. I'm going to open my mouth. You ready?
The way Mike Francesa was drinking Diet Coke.
He's gonna have 6-inch subs.
They're gonna have a cup of ragu. Drinking it through a straw. Like,
Oh, it's my Nana sauce. It's amazing. Yeah. I'm like, you're not even Italian, nigga. You're not even Italian.
now. He's Italian by proxy.
God damn. Nigga really thinks he's fucking Tony Soprano. He really does. He really does.
He really does.
That's like when Nas did It Was Written. Him and AZ was like, yo, we mobsters. Like, Chris Christie really thinks that he's in the fucking mafia.
You can't tell him. He's like he's one of those duns that shot up Christopher Malasanti or whatever his name. Shot him and had the car roll in and shit. Silvio had like tortured them. Oh, The Sopranos was a wild show.
It was a wild show.
It was a wild show, man.
Damn. When they found out homie was gay?
Big Pussy?
No,
Not Big Pussy. The other one. And he was like
was it
living.
Vito?
Yeah.
Or some shit?
And he
Yeah.
was like Don Vito or some shit. Like, or was that the guy from?
Ben Margera. Yeah. But yeah, I forgot the next name. But anyway, they found out he was gay, and then fucking niggas had the meeting, and somebody was just like, he's a fanook.
Vito Saperfor. Yeah. Yeah, and then they killed because he had like the Brokeback Mountain shit going on with the gardener.
With the
nigga.
gardener,
And then
yeah.
niggas went into the hotel room and
Yup.
Tiger Woods.
And
them.
niggas found out, they were like, yo, wow.
They were like, yo.
Nigga Tony was like, he's a fake. I was like, yo, what?
This show is out of control.
I was like, this shit is well problematic. But yo, the writing is so strong.
Was he giving like dome to like somebody in a.
Yup.
Yo.
This nigga called the Wild Yopper, nigga, like on a boat, on a fishing boat or some shit like that.
Yeah, wow.
I don't remember. I gotta
That show
rewatch
was-
that shit. Yo, can you HBO? Listen to me. Can you remaster Sopranos so that every episode is in HD so I can watch it from the beginning? Thank you. Appreciate you.
Wow. Oh, Finn, Meadows' boyfriend Finn saw him giving the Domington to the dude in the parking lot.
Right. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. And that's how the spike got blown.
We watched. That was 04? Oof.
That show ran for mad long. Because I remember when AJ was a kid, and then I remember AJ getting wild skied up at Bungalow 8.
Yeah.
And getting kicked out.
I mean, the characters grew.
Yeah.
I remember there was like episodes.
But like in real life though, not like
Oh.
Nigga really did get kicked out of Bungalow 8 getting skied up.
Oh shit, Bungalow 8.
Yeah.
Wow.
Shout out to that.
Oh, yeesh. Whew, took it back.
I wanna know.
Late 2000, back in, I want to say 11.
Okay. What's this? Oh, we have a
Uh-oh.
package. Make sure it's not ricin.
The San Francisco treat. No, please don't send us ricin.
Yeah, that should kill us. We won't do a show anymore. Oh man, I just
We'll
went
open
into
this
dad
later.
mode for a second
Yeah,
because I was like, the
stab
scissor.
myself
I
with
was
the
like,
scissors.
no.
No. We can't open shit live on air anymore because that sets a bad precedent. It does, because then people
Yeah,
shit.
that's okay. We're gonna say shit.
But
yeah,
also,
shout out
you
to
know
you.
what I'm saying? But thank you to this person from Oakland, California. I hope it's edibles. I hope you didn't just break the wild law instead of like straight Weedington through the weed.
Imagine that's a wild fucking brick of yay. That's wild compressed.
Okay, so we gotta finish this show now. Niggas gotta go test open the package. But no, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We run it out. We gave you the art. Episode
art.
57.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? This is art when there's no show. Just the raw uncut.
The raw uncut raw.
This is the dog food smack.
That's right. The
I
shit
hope
that'll
you,
kill
I hope
you.
you sitting there drooling out right now at
Yeah.
a towel at a McDonald's in Connecticut.
That's right.
While opioid up.
This is a hot bag.
Hot bag.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, someone else sees you and scratches their neck like, yo, what was he? What is
No,
he? He
my
couldn't
man.
handle Bodega.
My man was down.
He OD'd on episode 57.
My man. Speaking of that, yo. Sidebar. Did you see that they got the new dope in the Bronx? It was on the news. Is Donald Trump dope?
Oh, word?
Yeah.
I feel like there's always been Trump dope, though.
Trump dope?
There's always been Trump dope.
Shut the Trump dope.
It's fake news.
Fake news.
Fake dope.
It's fake dope.
I got fake news.
Very-
I got fake niggas showing fake love for me.
Straight up to
Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face.
Yeah.
Yo.
I seen you tweet that shit. I just imagined you in the club, like with like surrounded by empty bags, like screaming in the bitch's face, like
Yo,
straight up to
yo.
my man.
All my tweets are factual. When you see them, you know I'm usually going through something, and I'm just live tweet. I might change a couple of distinguishing features, but it's all good.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Anyway, also, yo, shout out to me, Elle Magazine.
Oh shit, word. Sexy Single Bachelor.
Sexy Single Bachelor, number 4 out
That's
of 41.
right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Don't get replaced.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? Act like we're not. See?
Yeah.
People want to answer text messages. Now they have to like open the magazine, like,
Oh.
do the anime.
Yeah.
He's out of here.
Oh, I left him on red.
You know what I'm saying? You left me on red. Now I'm about to be chilling with Angela Merkel or
That's
Rihanna.
right. Fucking call balls.
Don't need y'all.
Don't
These
fuck it
don't
up.
need y'all. Everybody was like, I didn't know these
You know
was
what I'm
what you mean? Nigga, I'm on TV. You don't
What
see
you
me?
talking about?
I'm talking about I'm fine.
Also, 3P in EW. You know what I'm saying?
EW magazine
in
again.
there for the third time on the must list, which means you must watch the show.
Dick Flute solo part
You know
of the
what I'm
show.
saying?
Where we fillet ourselves.
That's right.
Why? Because it's the Bodega Boys in
Yeah.
the building.
Uh-huh.
Desus and Mero.
Yeah.
BX Legends. I said it. I'm calling it now.
That's right.
It's rename the Cross Bronx after us if something happens
That's
to
right.
us. So niggas be like, I hate the fucking
Desus and Mero
Desus and Mero
Parkway.
Expressway. Fuck, I have 2 hours to get home. That fucking piece of shit road. Hate this. I hate that. They need to give us a wild day. They'd be like the nigga in Spick Expressway. I'm like, whoa. This guy over here is Giddy T said that. Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Jesus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka
Yeah.
Rockstar Fat Laterio, aka Chris That's Pro Sling Dick, aka Eli Lipby, aka Butcher Cousin, aka So Bad I Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando Durando, 1994, Macau going off the Juve Boss, MC the Gunga Poo, put up for 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Old Pool. I don't know your name. We're not gonna get married. I want to hear your SoundCloud.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm not helping you GoFundMe to your
This is
door.
not the
Fuck
beginning of
outta
a
here.
relationship.
No. Get out of here. I'm putting my headphones. I'm listening to the future.
Yeah.
The original my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son.
Uh-huh.
Dita Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa. The ghost of Mufasa. Mufasa, listen. Listen to me. Listen, I'm gonna get them niggas that stand behind you, nigga. I'm gonna ride for you, nigga. Fuck that. I'll kill Scar. Tell that nigga Scar set you up. Got you.
Bust your gun.
Lion King 2. Simba's Revenge. Yo, charcuterie without the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Limon, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Can't look. Remember when I had a hot bag and I still pitched the perfect game?
Papi, that was like stupendo.
I couldn't get my get cooked after that, though.
Oh, my God.
Vice K. Bakusaka, 3-Phone Jones, Jesus X Machina, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240, because I like my Pinot Blurry.
That's right.
DJ Willa, a.k.a. listening to Wash FM. Coming up next, we have a 15-minute mega mix of Color Me Bad. Ooh, I Want to Sex You Up from the New Jack City soundtrack.
Make sure your heart's healthy enough first.
DJ Woolite. Watch the fan. Woolite. Curry Goats. DJ Spicer. Jamal Hashburn. The Bronx Celine Dion. The black Asiatic addict who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. A.k.a. Mr. La Marina. Mess Marina with a fresh misdemeanor. A cold demeanor. A.k.a. your problematic baby. Kiss you in front of your boss at a company function. Look him in his eyes like, yo, don't ever talk.
Yeah.
Don't ever have my boo work late, nigga.
I dare you.
I'll beat you up, nigga.
You know what it is, man.
Came through in this is a holiday office party and I have on NBA jeans. That lets you know I don't give a fuck.
You know what time it is.
Okay?
Episode 57, nigga, suck my dick from the rear. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. You know what I'm saying? Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Skirt loader. You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby. I fucking man. Look at my fucking dad. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm the dad of the year, nigga. Don't ever get it fucked up. You know what I'm saying? It's Ben Smack Biombo, feels like Ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican Dada. You know what I'm saying? Ben Boston with the precision of a laser fired from outer space, bouncing off a diamond lens to create life.
We love you, man.
Put your panties back on, ma. I'll open your medicine cabinet, nigga, so put the benzos in another place that's safer.
Oh my God,
you know what I'm saying?
Mero's coming over. Put the benzos in. Put the benzos in the freezer.
Yeah, put them in the fucking pantry, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm the Zen man. Oh my God, I'm drunk. Yo. It's Rico Sabroso, Baby Newport, Nino Brown, East Tree, my Stevie B. I spent your DT event twice. You know what I'm saying? The plantain supernova in the sky.
Whoa.
One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. So don't ask to hit the blunt if you ain't got five. Woo! You know what I'm saying?
Performing this year at Coachella instead of Beyonce.
That's right, because Beyonce's wild reggaeton. It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony, the only nigga to drop 62 at the Garden. If you see me in Tucker, respect my agency, nigga, approach me like an Earthside mammal. Don't look me in my eyeballs, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I smoke weed in the lobby. Smoking weed in the lobby was a big deal. El hijo de Tita Fifita llegó. Estamos bajando caro, baby. You know what I'm saying? Catch me at the Jimmy Spot 207, nigga. We lit.
Ooh.
Holla.
Woo. Also, always shout out to all the sponsors.
Yeah.
For all your latest Toyota deals, be sure to hit up the Toyota of Lodi, New Jersey.
You know what I'm saying? We
As
lit.
for Mero's cousin, Manuel.
Holla.
He doesn't care about your credit. He can get you a used or pre-owned Toyota.
Papi, good credit, bad credit, no problem.
Just don't use the word. Don't ask about flood damage. All right, what you got? What you bringing up old stuff? If the car smells wet,
Papi,
that's why the price is what it is.
Car Fox, car fuck out of here, my nigga. You want this car or no?
Who on Fox? Is it Channel 5?
I know fuck out of here. Yeah,
Talk to the general manager, Mr. I Know Fucking Baby, for the best deals in Toyotas in Lodi, New Jersey.
Yo, son. Bodega Boys in the building, nigga.
In the building. Episode 57. We'll see you next week. Have a good weekend. Avoid the book. It's free to homie.
Free the homies.
We out.
Holla.
Perfect.